Good afternoon, good evening, guys. How's everybody doing? Dobre utro, dobry dzień, dobry wieczór, buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. ¿Cómo están todos? How is everybody? Cheers. It's not financial advice. I'll switch the camera to the stock market here. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Gotta adjust the screen here a tiny bit, get rid of some glare. Hopefully make this slightly better visible, maybe. Kind of, sort of, halfway. Make it a tiny bit better here. Maybe that's better, a tiny bit. But anyways, let's see what the market's doing. So right now, looks like portfolio is not too bad. Let's see, let's check out Bitcoin. Hey there, Tommy Hawk. Not much, man. Just chilling here in the stock market. How you doing, man? How you doing? Another campfire, cyber campfire chilling time, right? Oh man. Well, anyways, maybe for right now, before, yeah, I'll go look at the, what do you call it, flipping Bitcoin for just a second, just to kind of see what everything's kind of about to do. Kind of see what the picture looks like. So Bitcoin's going up, so it's kind of sort of halfway a good sign, I guess. Let's see. I'm stressed from trading futures. Oh, I'm sorry there, Tommy Hawk. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's very stressful. Definitely. Well, hopefully you won though. Hopefully you're ahead. Hopefully you're ahead. Let me see. I'll throw the flipping. I'll go to the futures. Let's see, futures. I'm gonna try to do a trade. I'll throw the paper and see what it wants me to do. Market gold futures, because it's the one I like to trade. I'm up for the day. Oh, that's good. That's good. Me too. Last night I was down, but like after the live stream, eventually closer to the morning, the stock like actually went my way because I was shorting it. Actually went down. I took profit once it dipped to my profit area. Then I started going long and I made more profit. See if I show you. If I show you right here, let's see. Wasn't any like very good profit, but it was some profit. Because remember, like I showed you, I was down right here. See, this was last night over here. Remember, it was down. I don't know if you were here. It was down. It was like down over $100 for the night for that day, and then like it went back up. Like I made a few more trades. I was ahead on that one trade that was down. It went to profit zone. Then I did some more after that. Hi there, wondering for treasure. Amen. Yeah, so it ended up going back up. Like I took profit, then I started going long and short and long and short, and I made a few little trades. So over here, like you can see the trades. So I ended up kind of ahead. So not very big trades, but some small ones. I think I had one of the bigger ones. I had $40.88, $62.88. So I had a couple of okay ones, but it's only one contract I was trading. But where's the paper? Oh, it's right here. I'm about to toss it right now. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go back to the futures, to the gold. I'll trade my micro gold, see what that's gonna do. Okay, micro gold futures. I'm gonna ask the paper, should I go long on micro gold? Because last night I went short. I was shorting it. Let's see, should I go long on the micro gold right now? Let's see what it says. So the paper said yes. That means it said I should go long on the micro gold. Let's see. Let's see how that plays out. Is that gonna be good or is that gonna be bad? Well, what I'm gonna do to get a good deal out of it, I'll probably go buy. No, I'll make a limit order. I'll go to this one. I'll do one contract, and I'll do 4244. I'll probably do 4244.4. Kind of like yesterday I started 44222. This time is 42444. So I guess maybe, or 40. I'll just do 40 even. I think that might be good. See how that plays out, you know. Get order placed. We'll see what happens. I think it might fill here. I think if I wait a little bit, it might fill. So close to it. It's gonna bounce back down to it. Look, and then it's just gonna bounce around like for a while once it reaches it. Obviously, not financial advice. I don't want you guys to copy my trades because I don't want you to lose money. If I lose money, it's fine. It's me, but I don't want you guys to lose money. Papers here. Papers. Paper be predicting a little bit. Come on, I'm waiting for it to go to the 4.2440. I mean 4,200 244.0. I think it'll hit that. It should, hopefully. We'll see. Well, if it's not gonna hit it in a little bit, I'll probably go and do like look at other trades and or whatnot. Got close right now a little bit ago. Anyways, I'm gonna bounce out of this, so I'm gonna try to find some other trades. I think eventually it'll hit it. Eventually it'll hit it. So I got the order there. Let's see. We might dump tomorrow. Oh yeah, stock market. I think so. I think so because the rate cut it's already priced in, and if like yeah, there's something fishy going on. Might. It's not a for sure thing, but yeah, might dump for sure. But yeah, yeah. Anything can happen. Nothing. Nothing's 100%. Because the rate cut's kind of already, for the most part, priced in, but it depends on what Jerome Powell will say and how things will go and kind of everything. Like, we'll see. Could go either way. Okay, now I'm gonna see what to flip and do. I'll go check. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna check the gold over here, the GLD, the normal GLD, the spider gold. Let's see. So I'll look at the chart, see what this chart here looks like. Okay, on this chart, it looks like it's heading upwards still. So if it reaches my 42440, it looks like it should be profitable after that. But I think it'll dip and hit it from what it looks like. You can see that trend is up. The MACD thingy is heading up. So as long as it dips enough to hit that price, and then I think it'll bounce back up and carry the profits up. But it almost hit it. But sometimes just got to be patient because it just started, just logged in and see what it'll do. It might take a while for it to hit it, but we'll see. Okay, let me check silver because I know silver went up like crazy too. Not the futures, but the at least the normal silver. Let's see the silver trust thingy here. So you have silver up 4.63%. That's quite a bit. That's crazy. Looks like it's kind of still trending up. Yeah, the momentum is still kind of going like towards the upside on that thingy. Yeah, dude, it's going crazy. The zigzag line is still kind of trending up. You could see the what do you call it? MACD starting to dip down a little bit, but the zigzag line is going up. So, but yeah, it looks still kind of bullish. I don't know how much more longer the momentum will be for the upside on silver, but it went up a lot. For metal, that's like quite a bit. Excuse me. No shit, it's silver. I know, right? For sure. For flipping sure. For flipping sure like crazy hell. Let's check. Bitcoin already checked it. It's kind of obviously went up quite a bit more. It dipped a little bit, the high 94,000. But it's kind of momentum still towards the upside a tiny bit for now. Check XRP. XRP is also pretty bullish today, so it's a good sign that the market may do good, may not. Like nobody knows really. But yeah, I mean, I think I sold the XRP at a profit today. I didn't have much, but I got rid of some. LUNC. Let me see. I could check it out in a little bit. I'm gonna try to throw the paper just for the heck of it right now. See if it's worth it to add a tiny bit of XRP since it dipped. I sold some of it at a profit, but I want to see. Should I get some XRP right now? Let's see what the paper says. Should I get some XRP right now? It said yes. Paper said yes, so I'll get like maybe $3 worth of XRP. Maybe a tiny bit of XRP, like $3 worth. Hell yeah. Okay, XRP is good. Order filled. Let's see, maybe I should go back and switch the, what do you call it, the futures things that I got, because it might take forever for it to fill, but at least I could play it out a little bit, the gold thingy. Let's see. Cancel this one, and then go, so that's canceled. Try to make another one. Let's see, go to this one, futures. Micro gold futures. Let's see now. So the paper said to go long on it, but to go long from already high price, that's kind of risky, but let's see, maybe I should try for a little bit. Let's see, buy one. Okay, so I bought one. So it's probably gonna go down right away. Maybe, I don't know. Or maybe I should have waited a little bit, but who knows, might bounce back up here. See what it'll do, is bouncing back down. Maybe I'll close this, or maybe I'll wait. I'll probably get out of this one for now. I'll probably adjust it later. Let's see. BMR will make millionaires, but you gotta buy and hold for a while. Oh, I see. You're right, not good to chase. I know, right? Totally not good to chase. For sure, for sure. It's funny. It always goes down. And BMR will millionaires, you gotta buy and hold. You drinking your mate tonight? Oh, yes, I am. Right here. Let's see. Right here. Here's my yerba mate. I've got it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let me see. I'll check on the flipping gold for a second. If I have to, I'll close it out and I'll go short for a little bit. But we'll see what it's doing. So it's almost back at a profit. We'll see if it gets to the profit. I might try to close it out. Was a break even for a little bit. They're good, yummy mate stuff. Maybe I should do a sell thingy to sell it at, like, let's see, right now it's going at 246. Maybe I should do a sell order because, let's see, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just wait a little bit. Or make it go to like break even, get rid of it, and then try to short it. Some good mate stuff. Cheers. But yeah, I'll probably wait for now. Bounce back in later a little bit. See what it does. Let's see here. Adrian explain our friend group. Adrian explain our friend group. What's your strategy? Oh, my strategy? It's just trading. Right now I'm trading futures. Just whatever I could, do. Right now I'm going long in the futures. Actually, I might go in there. I might close out of it, and then I might just try to short it for a little bit because I think it went up quite a bit. Might start going down. I think I might try to do that. Okay, go back here. 245. I'll try to, let's see, get out of it. Let's see. Trade. I'll just end. Wait for it to get to 2456 and then probably get out if it's gonna hit that. Okay, I'm gonna just end it. I'm gonna end it, and then I'm gonna go. And then I'm gonna go sell. I'm gonna go short. Go short from where it is. I'm not sure how that's gonna play out, but we'll see what it does. So right now I'm down. I'm gonna go short for a little bit. We'll see what happens. Okay, and then just let that be for a little bit. Hey there, Plucky. I see you. Index funds. I see when you're doing all this, are you making money right now, or of these short buying and selling? If so, how much are you making? Oh yeah, I'm making a little bit, but like I could show you the futures. Right now I'm obviously down a little bit today, but yeah. So I just recently started doing this futures thing. So from here, from November 26th, as I started on Robinhood, and right now, like I'm right here. We'll see kind of what it does, I guess. But yeah, I'm kind of shorting it right now. I was down on it a little bit ago, but I think it might go down more shortly before it goes up some more. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Okay, so yeah, right now I'm shorting it because I think like if I caught that wave when I just started, when I did the limit order, it didn't like fill. If that filled, I would have been doing okay. But because it went high before I was able to get into the contract, that's the thing that kind of got away from me. It would have been good if I caught it on time, but I didn't catch it on time. But right now I'm kind of shorting it for a little bit, so I'll probably do that. So we'll see what it does. Hey, Plucky, how are you doing? What's the difference between holding stocks and futures? Well, with the futures you could trade for a longer time. Futures you could pretty much trade it 23 hours a day, except for like Saturday. You can't trade it Saturday, but it's kind of different a little bit. You got a longer time that you could trade it. Okay, let me see something else here. Let's see, SoFi still kind of trending down a little bit. Today is down 2.83, overnight down 0.15. Okay, Plucky, have a good one if you're gonna go. Actually, I want to look at the chart here. See how this advanced chart looks like right now. See how the advanced chart looks like. Okay, that's the 1 week chart. Okay, so the 1 week chart looks like the MACD kind of going up, the zigzag going down. 1 day, it's the MACD. So it might do some more dipping before it goes up, and the SoFi looks like. Obviously not financial advice, but that's kind of what it looks like. Yeah, for the short term, yeah, I think so. Obviously not financial advice, but for the short term, yeah, it looks like kind of a momentum towards the downside in it for now. Okay, let me see NVTS. Check out NVTS. So this one looks like started dipping a little bit again. I got some of it here, over 100 shares. Let's see what the momentum of that thing looks like. Okay, so for the 1 day, definitely looks like it's trending down. So Might be good to do some puts on this thingy too, short term. Potentially short term puts on this one. Could see MACD is starting to pick up towards the upper side, and then the zigzag line's trying to go down a tiny bit. But yeah, like super short term, probably a put might be worth it on that thing. We'll see. But long term, I like it long term though. That's why I got a whole bunch of shares of that one. Let's see, Lumen Technologies. I don't have much of that one, but that one is up for the day. Tiny bit down for after hours though. Okay, so for the 1 day, momentum's towards the upside on the Lumen, so I might maybe get some more, or maybe get some calls on it. Actually, not really, because right now on the 1 week chart, on the MACD, it's looks bearish, and that thing short term bullish. So for the super short term, it looks like it's going up. A premium on the Lumen, right? On this one. Okay, let's see if I was to sell a put, because to collect a premium, I don't have 100 shares, but to get in. So if I do the minimal here, the premium. So if I get the closest to the money, the premium here is $25. That's already most of the week passed. But if I'd get like a full week plus, like a week and a half almost, so I get a little bit more if I do this one, sell put on this one. Wait like this whole week and the end of next week, so that would be like $44 for one contract. If you do two contracts, so not that bad. So $88 for like a week and a half premium. It's not too bad. Sell it 30 days. Yeah, 30 days. I sometimes do those. Let's see. Let's see from now. So right now it's December 9th. So closest to December 9th, January 9th. This one right here. So that's about a month. So about a month closest to the money. Since its momentum's kind of towards the upside, it's closest to money. Sell a couple of these. So get like two of them, for example. $138, and you could always play with the price, with the strike price. You could always do like 0 point maybe 7 1, and sometimes most of the time it actually fills, you know. So for a month, for two contracts, collect that one. But if you do a little bit more contracts, you do like four contracts, collect $284 in a month just by having the collateral of $3,116. So it's not too bad actually. It's pretty decent. Might be like a decent potential, knowing that it potentially will go up, you know, and just play it safe, do a put, and then if you do get assigned, it's a good stock, good company, you know, eventually might go towards the upside, so not too bad. So like a good potential. Which indicators am I using for my stocks? Well, right here, right now, the ones I got here are, for example, let's see. I got the MACD on the bottom. Then I got the Bollinger Band. Let's see if I click on this thing right here. I got the Bollinger Band, the one that's in the blue. The MACD right there, it's the one on the bottom right there. The ZZ is the zigzag line, the white one that goes like this, zigzaggy. And that's about it right here. Just that, and for Robinhood, it seems to be working pretty good. I mean, sometimes just the candles alone is enough, but if you have a tiny bit of something extra that helps, it's kind of not bad, you know. How much did I start with? I started with negative 25K plus negative 100K, because I played with borrowed money last year. So from negative 25K to whatever this is, kind of type thing. Oh, you bought some Oracle calls. Good luck on that one, dude. Good luck. I hope you win. I hope you hit a home run, dude. For real. Oracle's kind of crazy. Like if it goes like in your favor, you could do very good. wondering for treasure. Oh, the Doge. Let's see here. You get way more money because of the time plus the theta decay wraps right after. Yes, yes, for sure there, J-Duff. Yep. Okay, I could check out Doge real quick. I got quite a bit in that one. I think that's one of my biggest crypto thingies that I got. Let's see, Dogecoin. One of my biggest holdings. Although it's up today, still it's not up enough for me to be in a profit because I'm still like negative 29%, something like that. But let me see. I could ask the paper, see what the paper thinks. Is Doge a buy right now? Let me ask it. Let's see. Is Doge a flipping buy right now? Let's see what it says. Okay, so the paper said no on this thingy for now. Paper said flipping no. So I guess I gotta wait a little bit. Paper kind of sort of halfway said no on that thingy. Sort of halfway no. It is what it is. I could check the other crypto here real quick. They're subscribed. Oh, thank you there, the Mr. 704. Thank you, man. Why was there any premium or have you bought the SMEGMA coin? I'm not sure. I could check it out. I'm not sure if Robinhood has that one. SMEG. SMEG. Let's see. MA. Coin. Magma coin. I don't think Robinhood has this one. Smegma coin. Yeah, Robinhood doesn't have it. Let's see, Pepe. I think Robinhood has Pepe. I think I used to have it at one point. So yeah, Pepe looks like it has. I don't have it right now. I mean, I could ask the paper. Let's see, is Pepe a buy? Let me see. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa. Thanks there, J Duff. I don't know how this thingy works. Like $4.99. Is that like what you gave me there, J Duff? Thanks. I recently started trying this thingy out like yesterday. It's kind of new to me. I don't know how it works. Paper saves you almost every time. I know, right? For sure. Okay, let me throw the paper for the Pepe thing. You see, is Pepe a buy? Let's see. Is Pepe a buy right now? Let's see what the paper says. So the paper said that Pepe is a buy right now. At least probably to dollar cost average. Like, obviously it's not financial advice, but the paper said yes on this thingy for right now. So I'll probably get a little bit of this thingy. Maybe just in case, just for the heck of it, I'll grab like $10 of it. See what it does. Have like a decent radar. Hell yeah. We'll see what it does, I guess, right? Oh yeah, I'll donation buy stocks with it. Oh hell yeah! Thank you there, J Duff. Actually, congrats, man, J Duff. You're the first one that actually donated something because I think I got the partnership or whatever this thing yesterday, and like you're the first one that actually donated something. That's pretty cool. Awesome, thanks, man. I don't even know how it works because I'm kind of new to this thingy. Hey there, Johnny Liberato 6997. ETH booming for real? ETH flipping booming? Ethereum. So they report all right. Earnings day still might pop. Yeah, there's a chance. But yeah, Ethereum, wow, it's going up quite a bit. From whatever I have in it, I'm still kind of down, but it is going up. That's pretty crazy. I wonder if like I could throw the paper, see what the paper thinks if I should get some more of Ethereum, if it's worth it or not. Let's see. Is it worth it to add Ethereum? Is it worth it to dollar cost to Ethereum right now? Let's see what it says. And it landed on yes on that thingy. It landed on yes. I guess I get to add a little bit of this one here. A little bit of this one. Tiny bit of Ethereum. Buy, maybe get like, I have quite a bit of it, probably get like $3 worth, because it did go up quite a bit. I think it might be better than nothing. Ethereum doesn't have earnings. Can you ask the paper if thinks Oracle will go up on earnings? Yeah, I could ask it for sure. Let's see. As paper is safe to buy in Meta. Okay, I'll ask if let's see. Paper if Oracle will go up on earnings. Okay, I'll ask the paper about Oracle. So is Oracle gonna go up on earnings? Let's see what the paper says. The paper says yes. It fell right on yes that the Oracle will go up on earnings. That's the paper's predictions, not my predictions. Not financial advice, but it said yes on that thingy. It said flipping yes like crazy. Oh man. AGQ in the paper. That's funny, in the paper trust. Oh man. Ask the paper, is it safe to buy into Meta? Okay, let me ask about Meta. Is it safe to buy into Meta? Let's see what the paper thinks. Is it safe to buy into Meta? Oh, it kind of landed weird in the bookshelf sideways. I'm gonna do another one. See, the no is visible, but it's kind of weird. Is it safe to buy into Meta right now? Let's see what it says. So it said yes on the Meta thingy. So at first it's kind of indecisive, and then it said yes on the Meta thingy. And I got quite a bit of Meta too. I kind of like it. Meta's pretty cool. It's pretty chill. Let's see. I do have Meta. Let me see. Meta I got... Because eventually what I see Meta doing here... Should I sell my option or not? Ask the paper. Sell which options? So Meta platform. See, I've got some of it here. It used to be in a profit, but it dipped. This is a short-term dip. If it said yes, I'll probably buy some right now. Because for the very long term, I'm very bullish on the Meta. I'll probably just for the heck of it, even right now, like just for the heck of it, I'll add a 6-7 following the trend. You know, if you follow the trend, it's gonna go up. You know, so I'll do a 6-7, so it goes up like crazy. You know, that might be kind of chill. Might be kind of cool. Okay, so 6-7 is queued for market open. The paper's always indecisive at first whenever I ask something. I know, right? That's funny there. I am the bars. That's funny. Look at PSTV broke resistance levels today. Oh, really? Check out AGQ real quick. Okay, let's see. When do your ASST calls expire and what price? ASST. Let me see. I don't know if I have the. I don't think I have the ASST. Oops. Strike. Yeah, I don't have any of this one. But I could see what the paper thinks if it's a buy or not on the ASST. I don't think the paper likes me. Ask it. So I should ask the paper if it likes the I am the bars, right? Okay, so I could ask the paper if the paper likes I am the bars. Okay, does the paper like I am the bars? Let's see what it says. It said yes on that one. The paper flipping said yes like crazy. It likes you. It kind of sort of halfway loves you a lot like crazy. Like flipping crazy. I know, right? What app are you using? I'm using Robinhood right here. See that one? The Robinhood app. Okay, Oh, come on, don't be screwing with me. What the hell? Come on, don't screw me over. Oh, finally. It did this weird thing again. It makes me want to log in a weird way. Site log in. Okay, fingerprint again. Come on, what's wrong with it? Continue with passcode. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this away for a second. I don't know why it was weird. Sometimes it does that. It's so weird. Like, it makes me log in a different way. So strange. 1937. 84820. Good luck. Well, I got it unlocked. I got it unlocked though. Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. Good luck with all your buys and sells. I gotta look into this more. Okay, have a good one there, Ryan. 6969. Ask the paper for a second opinion. Ask the paper for a second opinion. That's fine. Okay, AGQ. Let's look at AGQ. AGQ. Oh, this is a leverage pro shares ultra silver. Oh, the silvers. Okay. So I wonder how it's leveraged. Let's see about this one. So AGQ provides 2x the daily performance of an index of silver future contracts. The listed name for AGQ is ProShares Ultra Silver. I see, I see. Okay, so 2x leverage. Oh, data unavailable in this thing? That's weird. I wonder what. Oh, it's probably the glitchiness or something. Yeah, but because it went so up so high, like I'm not sure if it's gonna keep on doing it. Like right now, the momentum, short-term momentum, at least looks towards the downside. You could see the MACD starting to kind of lean over, tip to the downside, and the zigzag line is dipping down. So I mean, not a guarantee, but it looks like it's kind of dipping down a little bit. So I mean, nothing's a guarantee. When it did go up quite a bit. Let me see. Maybe I'll check on the futures here. So futures up a little bit. I'll probably take profit right now before it runs away from me. At least a little bit of profit. Okay, so it was down. The first trade was kind of down a little bit. The second one kind of went back into the profit a tiny bit. So hopefully it kind of made me break even a little bit, or not even, but in the profit. But yeah, for today, like it's in a slight profit, $19 over there. For today was down short term though. Let me see. Go back to futures. Now I gotta see the next trade I should do on the gold. Let's see. Micro gold futures. George Soros too with a piece of paper, yes or no, frankly. Okay, so George Soros too with a piece of paper, yes or no, frankly. Wondering for treasure. Okay, yes or no. Okay, on the gold PROD someone. So George Soros too with a piece of paper, yes or no, frankly. Not sure what that means, but I'll throw the yes or no paper for you there, Gold Pro, and see if it answers it right for you. That's for you there, Gold Pro. See what it says, how it answers your question, because I don't really get the question, but for you it said yes there, Gold Pro. I kind of didn't really get your question, but I threw the paper for you, so it said yes on that thing. It said kind of sort of halfway yes on it. Hey there, Shabbat. Never showed to YouTube your login email. Oh, my login email? Huh. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go. Second opinion. Okay. The paper knows. The paper always knows. I know, right? That's funny. That's flipping funny. Okay, maybe I should throw the paper and ask and see if I should get some more, either go short or go long on the gold. Looks like going short was more successful. I'll ask the paper if I should go short. Let's see, I'll ask the paper if I should go short on the micro gold. Should I go short on the micro gold right now? Let's see what the paper says. So the paper said yes. So the paper said yes. That means I gotta go short on the micro gold. Okay, I guess going short for at the moment kind of is trade, sell, one, go, and see what happens. See what flipping happens. Paper said yes to go short. I'm going short. I'm going short, and we'll see what flipping happens. And then I'll just bounce out, and then whatever it does, you know. Okay, I'll just let it play out in its thing, and I'll go do other trades. But for now, I think it's kind of chill. Kind of chill. The paper's champ. I know, right? That's funny. Trade view is taking people's property when you code in Pine. Oh, that's weird. Why would trade view take people's property? That's strange. The paper's champ. You will eventually see private work in the indicator sellers. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should ask about some of the other, what do you call it, crypto thingies here. Oh, LUX. Check it. Check the LUX thingy. Looks like it doesn't have it on here. Is this the one? This is the closest to LUXE. Looks like that's the closest to it, but is the chief you made money in the futures nice? Yes, a little bit of money in the futures, not much. PLTR is a long-term hold for me. Yeah, I like PLTR for the long term. Lux sells indicator. Oh, I see. Lux sells indicators. Oh yeah, since talking about the PLTR, I'm gonna go check that out right now. Oops. PLTR. I have a little bit of it. And it did go up too, so that's nice. But see, I only got like $68 worth of it, so yeah, it's in the profit, but it's almost nothing what I got in it though. It's kind of funny. But yeah, maybe I should ask the paper, is it worth it to dollar cost average into Palantir right now? Let's see. I'll ask the paper, is it worth it to dollar cost average into Palantir at the moment? Let's see what it says. Okay, so the paper for right now, it said no on that thingy, so maybe hold off. Maybe after the, what do you call it, tomorrow after they announce the Fed rate cut, maybe it'll go dip down some more. Then it might be a good buying opportunity. After they announce that, you know. But for now, at the moment, it kind of sort of halfway said not to get some of this right now. But I do have some of it, not much. I got $68 worth, and it's in the profit. BlackRock, I'm looking at tomorrow once Fed cut announced. Oh, nice. Let's see, CETX. Let's check CETX. CETX. Oh, that one's kind of different. It says this stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. That's strange. So recently, like past week, it went up quite a bit, and then started dipping back down. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm hearing that Meta is having some internal tensions within its sector. This brought the stock price down quite a bit. Yes, I heard something about it. I didn't hear like all the details, but like I heard something about it, kind of negative. But for me, whatever I heard is just another opportunity to buy this little dip, you know, because I'm not sure how long it'll last, you know, at a good price at a discount. I'm iffy on Meta. Been buying Amazon instead. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I like Amazon for the long run too. I definitely like it. Let me see. I'm gonna go check real quick. Real quick. Let's see. Go to futures. Go to metals futures and go to micro gold futures. Okay, I'll take the profits right now because it's at a profit a little bit at least. Okay, so I took a tiny bit of profit. So I was at first I was down for the trading day for the what do you call it on the futures. Then it started to kind of go back up a little bit. Let's see. I should switch this to the 1 week so it looks nicer when the profit is green. But anyways, I'm gonna click on this one. So yeah, see this bar today. I was down actually a little bit, then it started going back up for the futures. But I literally started trading futures since like November 26th on Robinhood, pretty much practicing and learning at the same time and trading. So far it's kind of doing okay. Also, experts see Meta at 1,114. I could see it there potentially being like that high, like that much in the profits. Probably might take a little bit, like 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many years, but I could see it getting up there. Let's see. Look at IPLA 430. Let's see. IPLA. IPLA 4. Is that the one for 430? It's not finding anything for that one. Yeah, it's not IPLA 430. It doesn't have anything for that. Nothing for IPLA. Oh, for the L thingy. Oh, lows. Okay. Meta is so far the only one in the Mag 7 that hasn't performed a stock split. Oh, wow. But yeah, Lowe's, it's pretty decent, I think, for the long term. Let's see, does it have a dividend? I'm not sure if you guys are talking about this one or not. As a small dividend, still kind of better than nothing, I guess. Price is not that bad per share. Let's see. Yeah, it looks kind of decent for the short term. Okay, for the short term, looks like it's trending downward, at least from the 1 day chart. On the weekly chart, it's trending down, so it looks like it might be a good time to almost short it, at least short term. But for the long run, it looks pretty bullish, like it's going up, you know. Okay, let's see. Which other one should I check here? Show all-time performance. They should split. Okay. So all-time performance for the. So the all-time performance on my portfolio, that's right here. That's this one. This is the unrealized stuff. That's most of my money in the stock market. So it's not much right now because some things that I got like took a dip, but I didn't sell at a loss, so it's still in there. So I'm not worried. But that's that part. Let's see. But apart from that, like the realized profits and losses here. Also, right now it's not that much. I was super busy at work, wasn't able to do much. Plus, I started doing the futures trading. So because I was focusing on the futures trading, I didn't do much of too much of this type of stocks and options. But for the 3 months, realized profit and loss 4,901. Year to date, right here, I think that's since April. I started since April till today. That's that. The maximum amount, obviously, I had it for a longer time, Robinhood, since January 9, 2024. But yeah, but literally I started doing these type of short-term trades since April right here. Since April till this point. So yeah, nothing too crazy, but for sure. But like while learning and trading, I think it's kind of better than nothing. Sort of, kind of halfway better than nothing, I guess. Also, I think Tech will lose. Don't steam on Russell 2000 gains. More steam looking to see money finally move from the Mag 7. You should trade using a large screen for a clear view on the APC, not a tablet. Yeah, probably the larger the screen, the easier would be to trade. But then also like my realized profits on the normal stocks in ETF recently it's not that much because I started practicing on the futures right here, as you can see, the futures. And like, so since November 26th I started doing some of this. So far it's okay. We'll see how it continues going to go, but so far it looks like it's all right. Out of this amount, it's crazy. If you look at this amount, it says $968.68, but you see what they take. Look, the net return is I get to keep from that amount $700.16. So they're taking quite a bit out. That's insane. Like commissions, 120. Well, they're taking $120 in commissions. Exchange and regulatory fees, they're taking 148.52. So just the net return becomes like way smaller. It's kind of crazy. I can never day trade. Most of my trades last 2 weeks to a month or two. Oh, that's crazy. I mean, the swing trading is kind of safer in a way. I think it's a little bit safer to swing trade because you got more time for the play that you want to play in your favor. The short term trading is definitely way more riskier. It's like you gotta time it, snipe it right. But it's all possible. Definitely, the shorter the trade, the riskier, I think. Yeah, very rarely. So I'm in the markets for the long haul. Timing the market is much better than timing the market. Yes, I am the bars. That's correct. Timing the money is way better than timing the money. That's for sure true. I believe the returns are better as well. The money the brokers are getting. Yep. Okay, so I should check the hey there, Jada, the Terra Wolf. I sure hope so. Let's see. Let's see, Terra Wolf. I think I might have that one. Terra Wolf, I think. Is that how it's spelled? Let me see how it's spelled. Terra Wolf. Okay, does it not have it, or am I misspelling it? Terra Wolf. Maybe I'm misspelling it. Maybe if I go Wolf, let's see. That, Terra Wolf right there. So yeah, slightly wrong spelled. But anyways, let me see. Do I have that one? So I got a tiny, tiny bit of that one, and it's up a little bit. It's fine. Only $1. But it looks like that has some momentum towards the upside right now. So yeah, because it went up, looks like it's starting to kind of head back down a tiny bit potentially, but maybe not. Who knows? The momentum still might be towards the upside right now. It's like almost like at a break even area. Like the zigzag line shows up. It might go up some more here short term on that thingy. They're now saying that with quantum computing taking off, the threat of brokerage hacking, bank hacking, etc. has increased exponentially. Oh wow, that's crazy. If the hacking increase, that's crazy. Hopefully they'll figure out a way to so nobody will hack the hack the hell out of it. Hopefully they won't do that. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the paper, is Terra Wolf a buy right now? Let's see what it says. Is Terra Wolf a buy right now? So right now the paper landed on no. Maybe because it went up quite a bit like recently. Maybe once it falls down, back down a tiny bit. Maybe on the dip. On the dip, might be worth it to get some more, but at the moment, the paper said no for right now on this thingy. They're now saying that with quantum, we're going to take off the broker hacking. Only 3 companies have quantum computers, and the software is not what interacts with normal computers. Oh, I see. It's like a whole deal on itself, probably the quantum stuff. Let's see here. Let's see, QBT. I think I got some quantum QBTC, or what's the name of it? QB. I think it's a QBTS D-Wave Quantum. So I got a little bit of that one. It's down 5.7%, but I got very little bit of that one. QBTS, QBTC. I can't remember the ones I got. I got some of the quantum stuff, but not a big amount though. Let me see if I could find it over here. So I got some of the BMNR thingy, not a lot. Even then, whatever I got, it's still kind of down a little bit. Let's see the Rigetti thingy. So Rigetti one is pretty decent one, right? You think for the quantum? Let's see TTI. Looks like it doesn't have it. RGTI. Maybe if I just do RGTI, I think you'll find RGTI. Yeah, there we go. Probably this one, right? Is this one the one that you're talking about, right? So LPLA, I could check it out for sure. So I got a little bit of this one, but let me check that LPLA. Let's see. LPLA. Oh, there it is. I think before, like, I was probably putting in the wrong stuff. So today it's up 1.68%. For the last week, it's up 4 point something percent. So it looks like the general trend is upward on that thing. It looks pretty decent. Let's see. So even the analyst rating, 16 analyst ratings on this one, 75% say buy, 25% say hold, and 0% say sell. So it does look pretty positive. Let's see, maybe maybe I should throw the paper, see if LPLA is a buy, see what the paper says. Let's see, is LPLA a buy? Is LPLA buy? Let's see what it says. Oh, for right now, it landed on a no for some reason. But it's probably short term. Well, paper's not always right, you know. But anyways, let's see. So the paper's not always right, obviously, but the chart definitely looks bullish. I actually like this one. And it actually has a dividend too. So maybe I should ask another question, like should I buy some of the LPLA right now? Let's see what it says. Should I buy a tiny bit of LPLA right now? Let's see what it says. See, right now it's a double no, so it wants me to wait. Maybe it's gonna short-term dip down a little bit, and then I could get some more maybe tomorrow or something. But I do like it. The company looks pretty decent for long term. It looks pretty decent. So I'm gonna read about it a little bit. So LPL Financial Holding Inc. serves the advisor mediated marketplace as the nation's independent broker dealer and is an investment advisory firm and custodian. It offers integrated technology solutions, brokerage and advisory platform, clearing, compliance, business and planning, and advice services, consultative practice management programs and training. The company provides personalized financial guidance to millions of American families seeking wealth management, retirement planning, financial planning, and asset management solutions. LPL Financial Holding was founded in 1989 and is Headquartered in San Diego, California. The listed name for LPLA is LPL Financial Holding INC Common Stock. But yeah, it definitely looks pretty bullish. Like if invest like money for other people, like a financial type deal. Like looks very bullish, in the chart in general looks very nice. Like I don't see anything wrong with this one. Like I'll probably add it like later when the paper says like it's a buy or when it's gonna dip some more. But I definitely like that one. It's medical insurance. Oh, the one that I just looked at. It's let's see right here. It's like it's kind of like what do you call it, financial advisor thingy. They what do you call it? They invest money for like families and stuff like that. Like oh, that I just read about it. Investment advisory firm and custodian. It offers integrated technology solutions, brokerage and advisory platforms, clearing compliances, business and planning and advice services, consultative practice management programs and training. So it's linked in a whole bunch of this management, finance, and advisory, like brokerage platforms, a whole bunch of stuff. So it kind of helps and invest for people and all that kind of stuff. So it looks pretty decent what it does. Yeah, I kind of like it long term. If you look at the chart, it looks pretty bullish, like generally, like so 5 years, 274% up. That's quite a bit. Max 1,033. So yeah, as long as it's long term trending up, it's a decent company. Plus, it has some interest. Let's see right here. So dividend yield. Apart from it going up, it also pays interest. So you could compound faster if you even put quite a bit of money in that one. You know. You need a better strategy than just a piece of paper asking yes or no. Be careful, don't bet large sums of money. Your strategy is dangerous. I I believe you there, Gold Pro DS70. What? This is just more for fun. Like I don't fully trust the paper. I mean, yeah, I it did make me make some money, but not because I 100% believe in it. But it's kind of fun, but it's also right most of the time. But that's not my main strategy, though. If you think that's what it is. His strategy is bulletproof. I know, right? There, G Dub. Actually, should have paper probably better results than you think. Kramer with his dartboard made more than loss. Oh wow, that's crazy. With the dartboard, a broken clock is tight 2 times a day. I know, right? For sure. That's funny. Sometimes the paper like you could do pretty good because it's like a coin flip. You know, like if you just follow the paper alone, you might get better results than somebody that's trying to trade just guessing, not knowing what they're doing. So sometimes the paper in that case could be more accurate. You know. And it's kind of funny. I mean, it's kind of fun too, but for real, like paper trading with this paper, but like paper trading with real money, it's kind of nice, you know. But yeah, I kind of like this company. It's pretty decent. Oh, let's see. I wonder if I should short the gold thing or go long. I'm not sure. Maybe I should ask the paper. Okay, I'll go back to the futures. Go back to the micro gold. Let's see. I'll ask if I should short the what do you call it, gold again. Okay, let's see what it says. Micro gold futures. Okay, I'll ask the paper. Should I should I short micro gold futures? Let's see what it says. Should I short micro gold futures? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, so this time the paper said no, so I shouldn't short it. Okay, so should I go long on micro gold futures at the moment? Let's see what it says. Should I go long? Okay, so the paper landed on yes. So I guess I could go long. If the paper said yes, I should try to do that then. See what happens. Okay, the paper says go long futures. Okay, said not to go short, said to go long. Okay, so buy one. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's filled. Let's see what it does here. See if it'll go up or down. So far it's going down. So far right now it's like negative. See what it does in a little bit. The paper wasn't too right. Look, it's dipping a tiny bit. Oh, that's funny. See what it does, right? See how far it'll dip. See how far it'll dip or not dip. But following the paper thingy, paper trading. Let's see. Exactly that way I have no doubt his paper picked portfolio will kick ass. Oh man, that's funny. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Paper said not to short it, although it looked like shorting would have been a better deal. But then paper said to go long. See what it does. See if it works or not. I gotta get a sip of some coffee. Ah, good stuff. Flippin' cheers. Coffee with my Marvel coffee mug. Ah. Let's see. Will it go into profit a little bit? Will it get into the profit zone? Let's wait and see what happens. Oh. Looks like it's trying to get there, but we'll see if it does or not. Are you in the U.S.? Yes, I am in the U.S., J Duff. I live in Washington State. In Washington State. Not the Washington D.C., but the Washington State, where right now it's, if you, I don't know if you can see the clock, the watch there, it's 7:40 p.m. right now over here. But anyways, I think while I'm waiting for what are your thoughts on holding it for serve for a year? I could check it out. Let me see. Yeah, I'll probably leave this one for now here. I'm not sure if it'll be profitable or not, but I'll probably leave that for now. And I'll go check out something else. Okay, so let's see. What are your thoughts on holding FLSERV, FISV for a year? I'm not sure which one that is. I'll have to check that one out. And you're drinking coffee at the Sarah? Yes. Yeah, because in order to not fall asleep in front of the trading screen, I gotta make sure I'm alert, you know. For sure, for sure. And also some tea. I'm drinking coffee and tea. 8 hours looks flat for metals. They know. Oh, I see. If he's not in the U.S., why would he be on the U.S. Stock Exchange app? I wish you could hire me as a worker for you. Oh, to do construction. If you were here, like maybe like when I would need some extra help, you know, I could have hired you. Might have to wait for London. Oh, and the bars I can do that outside the U.S. But yeah, this is the Robinhood brokerage. So I'm not sure. Some countries you can't trade with Robinhood. I guess it kind of depends. But yeah, we'll see what it does. I'll check Nvidia, see if Nvidia is going. Ask the paper if you should call your ex, or if I should call my ex. Uh, for me, it's pointless to do that because even if it says I should, I don't have any info of any of that. So it would be kind of pointless because it would be to do something that's impossible or something that's unnecessary. That's funny. You're funny there. I am the bars. Flippin' hilarious. Flippin' hilarious like crazy. Okay, let's see. Nvidia. See if Nvidia is gonna keep on dipping or keep on going up. Because I do have a leaps call option on this one. So on the 1 day, the MACD looks like it's trending up. The zigzag line trending down. Okay, that's the 1 day. The same thing here. MACD trending up. Oh, looks like it is changing. Yep. Momentum is kind of starting to go towards the upside. You can see the zigzag thingy just started to go up. Okay, ask the paper if I should call my ex then. Okay, I could ask for you, see what it says. But for me it's like something that's uh yeah, unnecessary or impossible kinda. Okay, so I'll ask for you. Paper if I should call my ex then. Okay, should I am the bars call their ex? Let's see what it says. This is for you, I am the bars, if you should call your ex. So it said yes. So I guess it wants you to call your ex then. I guess you should get at it, man. They be waiting like crazy. They be waiting. Ask if I should call my. Okay, should JZ410 call their ex? Let's see what it says for the JZ. Or JZ. Oh, it kind of hid in a corner. On that one, it said no. So I think your ex might be sort of halfway more shady. Maybe it's afraid for you. That's why it said no, potentially, possibly. I don't know, not financial advice or not what do you call it, relationship advice or whatever the hell they call it. Whatever the flippin' hell they call it, like not financial advice and not relationship advice or whatever. I don't know what they call it, but one of those weird thingies. Yes, I. Yeah, it said no for Jay Z. Oh, it said on. I know, right? If you flip it upside down, it's like a on. Yep. It's like right on. Go ahead, right? Take it the other way. No financial advice. Yep. Okay, do I have positions on the BBAI? I do. I have. I think I got a call option on it. I think I got a little bit of shares. Let me see. Let's check BBAI. See what I have in it. So I have 21.2 shares, and I'm currently down a little bit on it. And I think I got a call option. Yeah, this call. I think I got it when it was quite a bit higher, so I'm down on that one too. But it expires way, way far from now, so I think eventually it'll be in a profit. But yeah, I got that one. The paper said forget calling your ex, but it said you should be on your. I know, right? That's funny. I am the bars. What's your favorite stocks to buy and right now? I want everyone answers. Cold where you are. It's not very cold. I think right now it's about 40 degrees here. Maybe BlackRock has lots of magic on paper like that, maybe. But let's see, what's your favorite stocks to buy right now? Let's see, my favorite, I could show you like the ones I like for the long term there, JDove. Okay, so one of my, the ones I got the most, I could show you. The ones I got the most, I like SoFi. Obviously, it dipped here recently, but I did make a lot of money on it recently. So for now, this is one of my favorite. I got 231 shares of that one, $6,185 worth. And NVTS, I kind of like that one. 9/11. Oh, it's time to call the cops. But no, I don't think that's what it stands for. But anyways, I like this one, the NVTS. I got 141 shares, $1,287 worth. It's slightly more risky, but like Nvidia invested billions of dollars into this one, so I'm bullish long term on it. We'll see how it does. And I got some what do you call it, cash secured puts on that one too, apart from the shares. Lumen, I don't have a lot of this one, but I used to kind of day trade, swing trade this one, so I barely have this one. I have some. Let's see, Lyft is pretty decent. Like eventually, I could see it go to like $30, maybe from now to like maybe within like now and like 3 4 months. I could see this one where it used to be $25 at the high or whatever. I see it going even up to like 30 plus ish within like now and maybe 3 4 months. So I kind of like this one for the long term. I used to have thousands of dollars. This one actually used to be my biggest position at one point, but I sold out at a profit when I had to, and I'm trying to get back in at the right time. Like maybe if it dips a tiny bit more, try to get some more calls or something in that one. Let's see which other one. Gold, silver, I add sometimes randomly. But apart from that, I like the meta. I started recently get adding some more meta, so I like that one. Kind of for the long term, I like this one. Obviously, recently it dipped, and I just queued in a 6-7 order. Remember, I threw a paper. It said it's a buy right now, so I put a 67 order on it, following the trend. So I like meta. So yeah, I got 3 shares, 3.1 shares, 2,000 some plus dollars worth of that one. I like Tesla for the long run, but I recently sold out at a little bit of profit. But in case if it does like a little dip or something, I might pick some more up for the very long term, like for a very long term type deal. I like it. I'm pretty bullish on it. So right now, like I said, like I sold mostly out of it. I barely have any. But if there's gonna be a dip or something, I might start adding to it, either Tesla or the TSLL. These are one of the ones I think will do very good for the long term. Also had a lot of the TSLL, the Tesla leverage thingy. Not this one, the TSLL, the double L. So yeah, these are one of the ones like I like that like I used to have a lot like it used to be one of my biggest positions too by just rinse and repeat like buy sell type deal. But for the long term, I'm very bullish on just the Tesla itself. It's very volatile, very risky. Hard to deal with. But if you know what it's gonna do in the future, it's not a bad play for me. Let's see. Sell puts on TALL. Let me see. TALL. Is that the one? If I put the TALL, oh TSLL. Okay. Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. I've done some of that. I recently collected some profits on this doing that. Let's see. So yeah, I don't have much of it, but selling puts is a good play. Oops, not this thingy. Trade. The hell? Direction daily too. That's weird. Why isn't it giving the option to do options like buy or sell? That's weird. Before it gave me the options for that. See, it only has buy or sell. I wonder, maybe because it's like after market hours. Let's see if I click on Tesla. See, Tesla gives me the options to sell puts or whatever. Why? I wonder why it's not letting me on the TSLL. I did that on the TSLL. That's weird. It doesn't give the options for that. I wonder why. There are over 300 million input on BTC right now, 20K. Oh wow, that's crazy. See where Vivocore is right now. Look up Doge. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, it is. It's super weird because I used to actually. That's one of the things I used to do a lot. I used to sell puts. Right now, look, buy, sell, just the stock. It's not letting me do that. But the thing is, if I go to Tesla, for example, it will. TESLA. See, if I click on Tesla, that gives me the option. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. It doesn't make any sense. It kind of doesn't make sense. Yeah, I don't get it why it's like that. It's like super weird. It's a chance because it's after hours, or maybe they figured out that like it's like a infinite money glitch and people made too much profit. They're like, let's get rid of that option, and they got rid of it. I don't know, but it's something weird. There's a message by the name. Click on it. It may why you can't sell puts. Okay, let me see. TSLL. Well, over here it just says leveraged, you know, but it used to allow options. Like right now it doesn't. But yeah, by the name, overnight order book yet not available. In the meantime, you can find order book quotes here during regular market and extended hours. Maybe it is because it's after hours. That I'm guessing because of that, possibly because it's after hours is doing that. Google, why can't anymore? What level do you have? I think mine's a level two trading on this thingy. Because if you have the gold, because I got the gold membership, if you got the gold membership, it automatically has the level two, what do you call it, trading or whatnot. But yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't think it's because of the level, because I've been able to do it. Maybe after hours, it's not letting do that. I'm guessing. I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. Won't cycle until Monday. Oh, I see. You sound exhausting, bro. I might. I mean, I was doing my construction thingy like crazy. I was working and like yeah, it's busy schedule, and then chilling here by the cyber campfire with you guys, with the YouTube family, talking about stocks, right? On weekends, you should still let you queue. Yeah, it should let you do the queues for the even on the weekends. Oh, thank you there. I am the bars. Thanks, man. I appreciate you guys for chilling here with me by the campfire. Bounce ideas off of each other and get some information, whatever we can to get better, get a tiny bit ahead in the stock market thingy, right? Yeah. Let's see, BSM and TU, big dividends. Let's see, BSM. Because I'm kind of new myself. Like I said, the type of trading I'm doing, I literally started like last year in like February or something like that. I really think you should look at longer trades. Day trading didn't make me money like swing. Yeah, it's hard to do the day trading. Paper said there's no campfire. That's funny. Paper says no campfire. It's a flippin' cyber campfire. It's like it's not literally. It's not like you're burning your hands. I mean, if the tablet gets hot enough, you can, but it's just a cyber campfire. You haven't looked at Amazon stock. Oh yeah, you gotta look at the Amazon stock, right? So the Blackstone has a decent dividend. Let me check. Yeah, this one has a pretty high dividend, 9.34%. That's not bad. Okay, after this one, I'll check out Amazon. Okay, add it to my first list. Let me see. I'll ask the paper, is it worth it to get Blackstone minerals? Let's see what the paper says. Is it worth it to get Blackstone minerals? And the paper said yes on that thing. So maybe I get $5 worth of that thingy. But yeah, Amazon stock I really like a lot for the long term, especially. So it said I could buy this one. Let's see, maybe get like $5 worth. Paper sort of kind of halfway let me. Well, bonds with cheaper costs and better returns. Coca-Cola is my big one. Oh, nice. Coca-Cola is a good one. Nice, nice. So Amazon. Let's check out Amazon. I think I have some of it. Amazon. Let's see. Like I could show you. I have $171 worth. Not even a full share, but I have some of it. But I really like it for the long term. I think it'll go up like quite a bit. TALL, the tall. He says a lot. Yes, the paper. The Max 7 is a must. Oh yeah, the Max 7 is for sure. I think it's a must. But so I do have Amazon. Currently, whatever I have on it, I'm a little bit down on it. See right here, I got $171 on it, down 6.99%. But let me see. I'm gonna toss the paper. Is Amazon a buy right now? Let's see what it says. Is Amazon a buy right now? Let's see what the paper says at the moment. Okay, so at the moment, paper said no. So I think the paper's kind of wrong, but it is what it is. Well, regardless, I already got Amazon. I'll probably add some more to it later, maybe tomorrow, or maybe later today. I might queue in some more. But for right now, it kind of sort of halfway said no on that thing. Kind of sort of halfway said no. If you got at least 100 stocks, it will appeal. But if you only got 10 or 20, it's not worth it. Yes, because if you got 100 stocks of it, like if you got like 100 shares, you could sell calls against it and collect premiums. And so something like that would be nice. Because for example, let's see, trade options. If you sell like let's see, like say like a month, right? About a month out, sell call like against your shares. Even if you do something like not the closest one, but like slightly away from the closest one, sell call. Let's see, maybe do like this one. So for having 100 shares of this stock, you could collect $460 within a month doing something like this. So yeah, like having the 100 shares would be nice because you could sell these, collect premiums. Like for sure, it's nice. I see. Buy some RAM manufacturer stocks. Several analysts have downgraded it because of Musk pay package of $1 trillion. Oh wow, they downgraded the Amazon stock. That's crazy. What do you think about Robinhood stock? What do I think about Robinhood stock? I think I'm bullish on the Robinhood stock generally. I recently got out of a Leaps call when they got into the profit. But like I'm bullish on the Robinhood stock in general for the long term. Right now it dipped a little bit. Like if it dips a tiny bit more, I might get another Leaps contract on it. But see, especially if it's gonna dip down to like close to like 100 even, for me it would be a good buy area. I'd buy and ride it all the way back up because eventually I think it's gonna go back to where it was at the highest and higher. But definitely it grows pretty fast and a lot of people are using it and it's linked in crypto and it's adding a whole bunch of other services to it. Like it's definitely doing something right. So I'm kind of generally bullish on Robinhood for the long term. I probably would wait for it to dip more to get some more of it. At the moment, I don't have a lot of it because I recently got rid of a Leaps call at a little profit that I had recently. Magnificent 7 ETF mags. Yes, the Magnificent 7 for sure. That's way worth it for me. Morgan Stanley downgraded Tesla this morning. Yeah, I think I heard something like that, but sometimes whether if they downgrade a good stock for me, it doesn't matter. If you know what it does and what it's gonna do in the future, that's pretty much all that matters for the most part. IPS before it being placed on. Yeah, it is. The pay package is 100% bullish for the company. You guys are crazy to not hold Tesla. Like I said, I like Tesla for the long term. Robinhood will allow retail to short soon. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool if the retail could short soon. Like you could short with the puts if you buy the puts, or if you're doing the what do you call it, or if you're doing futures, you could short with that. But yeah, in general, it's a pretty decent platform. So far, like I like it. I mean, I got other ones. I got Webull. I learned how to trade pretty much on Webull, and I got the Moo. It's pretty decent, but like for right now, like especially with the options, I like how the options are on Robinhood because the legs, the options legs, they're like more customizable, than like the Weeble one. That's the one thing I like about the like Robinhood options deal. Let's see, the PDT rule changed, thankfully. Oh, really? The PDT rule changed? That's good. That's awesome. So what's the new PDT rule? Options. I use Tasty Trade over Robinhood. Yeah, I've heard of Tasty Trade, but I've never used it myself. But I heard that it's pretty nice too. Oh, 2K. Okay, 2K minimal. Okay, I see. So 2K minimal, but then like you still gotta. But I think you still gotta wait for your funds to settle, though. There's no PDT rule change. Yes, there is no pattern day trading rule change. Like it's still the same. If you over trade and exceed your what do you call it, settled cash type deal, you could get in trouble for that still. But if you do it right, you should still be okay with it though. It should still kind of be fine. 3 trades every 5 days. Yeah, three trades every 5 days. That's if you're like on a margin account. See, because me, I'm on a margin account, but like because I have over 25,000 on it, I could trade like unlimited as long as I have the settled funds, the settled cash. I could trade pretty much unlimited until like whatever settled cash I have to use for that. When BYD enters the U.S. market, Tesla is toast. BYD, what's the BYD? Oh, BYD, it's the Boyd Gaming. So if Boyd Gaming goes into the market, then you're saying Tesla's toast because of that. That's crazy. Why would it kill Tesla? It doesn't make sense. Why would Boyd Gaming kill Tesla? Kind of doesn't make sense. Yes, over 25K. I have over that on my main account. Below, you can go back into. Oh, I see. I see. That's cool. Oh no, BYD is China's Tesla. I see. I was like, why the hell would like avoid gaming kill Tesla? I was like, are people gonna go crazy over gaming and forget about driving or what? Flip hilarious. Yeah, trading futures on Robinhood is okay. I'm kind of new to it myself, but like it's decent. I mean, the commissions and all that stuff and fees are high. No, but I think BYD he's talking about is Chinese EV. Yeah, yes, I believe you guys. Neo hasn't done so good though. Yeah, but this one doesn't have the BYD that you guys are talking about. But yeah, it's funny. Oh man, Neo hasn't done so good. Let's check out Neo. Yeah, for the Tesla thingy, I'm very bullish on that one for the long term. You just gotta have patience with it. It's gonna have its moments, like it kind of always does. Might have some crazy dips, some crazy moments, but long term, I think it's heading up. But at the same time, if you know how to catch its volatility waves, you could do like pretty good even on the short term on it. If you could kind of predict its moves, you could actually do pretty good on it. So Neo, it fell from $6. Let's see. So it used to be at the high $7, 7.90, $8. So from $8, it fell back down to five something. What's a good amount to get started trading? I think any amount is good to start. Like even if you have like $5, it's $5 more than $1, but it's a decent number to start. put that like in a ETF or something if you want to do long-term investing in like a SPY or a VTI or VOO or SCHD, something that's good for the long term. Put that in there, keep on adding, as much as you can when you can, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, daily, and just watch it grow, like in something that's good, that's worth it. If you want to do the long-term investing, that's what I would do. Short-term investing is definitely risky. That's kind of like the stuff I'm doing right now. Like, it's very risky. I wouldn't suggest doing that. But you could just learn enough about it, practice. If you want to do short-term trading, just be ready to have some losses because it's part of the game. There's quite a bit of losses. You got to be strong to deal with the losses. I have over 100K in Granny ETF. Oh, in Granny ETF. Oh, that's cool there. That's awesome there, Douglas Dyer. I wonder what a Granny ETF is. I gotta check that one. I think I kind of heard about it, but I'm not sure what that is. Bull bear leverage ETF trading. So yeah, the Neo thing, it looks like it's going down, like the downtrend right now. Like might be a good thing to short, like get some puts on it or something. At least short term. Yeah, looks like the momentum on that thing is down. That's crazy. It already went down quite a bit. It looks like the momentum's still kind of on the downside, downtrend. GRNY. Let's check it out. GRNY. Let's see. So, Funstrat Granny Shots, US Large. Okay, that seems kind of decent. Okay, I'm gonna add this to my watch list, my first watch list. Okay, got this in the watch list. So, okay, so 30-day yield negative 0.11. That's kind of weird. Let's see. So does it not have dividends? Kind of interesting. So is it like something, one of the new stocks or new ETFs? For long-term wealth, if you make decent money, just pump it into SPY or VOO and you will make pretty good profit. Over time, it will start compounding and growing very nicely. Yes, the Tasmanian Devils right on that one. GRNY 500 grains shots. US large cap. It's 3 years old. Oh, it's 3 years old. I see. So this one's not the right one. The one I'm in, the one I'm looking at. Is that the right one? The GRNY Funstrat Granny Shots US. That is Tim Lee's ETF. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Tim Lee's ETF. Okay. Maybe I should get a tiny bit just for the heck of it, see what it does. Oh no, I forgot to ask the paper. The paper's gonna flip and spank me. Like, how dare you buy stocks without my permission? He's probably gonna yell at me, the flipping paper. Better not. Paper be pissed. Paper be hella pissed. Because I'm not asking it. That's funny. Oh yeah, I need the paper. Let's go back to that one. See what the paper thinks. I gotta ask it. Although I bought a tiny bit without asking, so that it won't spank me for the long term. I gotta make sure the paper's okay. That I at least talked with it a tiny bit. Let's see. Is GRNY a buy? Let's see what the paper thinks. Oh man, I guess the paper's pissed. It said no. I gotta run away from it before I start spanking. Oh man, crazy stuff. Flipping A. I think paper is listed on the stock market. I know, right? That's funny. Yeah, some crazy stuff. Man, flipping paper like crazy, right? I'd be careful with Mag 7. Believe money will finally move to small cap. 26% of the entire stock market on 7 for 3 years can't sustain. The facts, let invest in the paper. Facts, let's invest in the paper. That's funny. The companies aren't bad in it. Yeah, the companies aren't bad in it. I mean, the safest way to invest, even in the Max 7, I think, is don't like put all your money in it. Like, if there's a dip, if like short term, like the money does go into something else, dollar cost average. If it dips, keep on buying, adding when it's low, because eventually it will return and go back up. You know, the Mag 7 keeps on going back up. And just make sure you have some dry powder, some flipping extra green papers or extra green digital papers or whatever to put back in it and make it grow. Like, as long as you have some extra funds to add to it, I think it should be fine. Or keep on dollar cost averaging into one of the better ones out of the Mag 7, or even all of it. It depends. See if paper is on there. I'm cashing out big in January. Oh, nice. I see. Are you cashing out of the Mag 7 there, J Duff, or are you cashing out like the whole stock market? Might be kind of, because sometimes I think January has these dips. Might be kind of safe. Do you trade penny stocks? If I trade penny stocks, very very rarely that I do. Like not often. Sometimes I do. Sometimes it does well. Sometimes it doesn't. Kind of depends. But I don't do those often. But yeah, I think January is one of the months that like everything kind of dips for a little bit because I think some of the people they sell out of their stocks for like tax harvesting, and some things they just tanks a bit more, But I think it might be kind of smart, to do something like that. The thing is, I might sell out of my stuff to tax harvest too, just to pay less taxes. Some things that are down that like I don't mind, because to tax harvest you gotta sell something and then in the new year not buy it back for another month. That's kind of like tax harvesting. So I might do something like that. Some of the crappier positions that I don't really like much. I might try to do that like the end of the last day of December trading day. I might do something like that. I'm going to make a magic paper. Nice. Good luck with the magic paper there, Gold Prod 71. Gold Prod 71. I remember when Netflix and then Nvidia were penny stocks. Oh, that's crazy. Those were penny stocks. I haven't decided what I want to sell. I have shit tons of PLTR. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. I have very little of the PLTR, but like yeah, if I'm gonna sell, I'm probably gonna sell a lot of this, not a lot of the stuff, but some of the stuff that I have at a loss, just to kind of pay less taxes. And then probably after a month passes in the new year, if it's worth it to get some of those that I did have a loss on it, buy back later and let it grow. We'll see. Only tax harvest of you're on a loss and have to make over 13K as a hobby, but that is a federal taxes only. Oh, I see, I see. But I think regardless, if you sell at a loss, like realized profits, it makes the realized profits less. Regardless, you pay less taxes on it. Like it's still a tax break if you sell at a loss for tax harvesting. That's kind of what I think. Huh. Let's see. But yeah, like some of these I might sell. Like there's not too much I have at a loss. There's some stocks I have at a loss, but like it kind of depends. I'll have to go through the portfolio and check it out. You can talk to a clan and they can label if you don't make over 13K as a hobby. Oh, the CLA, yeah, yeah, for sure. Actually, on the usually I like to take care of the elf on a check. Oh, the elf is feeling lucky today. Look, it's got the 773. Look, it's following the paper because the paper has 7, 7, and 3. 7, 7, 7, and 3. Look, 7, 7, 7, and 3. So let's see if because the beautiful elf has like lucky numbers on it today. Let's see if it's the paper wants to feed it today. Let's check it out. Should we feed the beautiful elf today? Let's see what it says. Because it's got matching numbers today. Should we feed the beautiful elf today? Let's see what it says. What the hell? You guys got matching numbers and you still say no? Man, poor flippin' elf. How is it gonna keep on making them toys for Christmas? It's already like shivering in the North Pole like crazy, starving, and can't even hold a chisel to make a toy, and then it can't eat anymore? Like, what the hell? Flipping Santa gonna be pissed as hell. Dude, it's crazy. People gonna be on the naughty list because of that. Sorry there, Elf. Paper said no, although you guys got matching numbers today, matching lucky numbers, but I guess it's not that lucky for you today. It is what it flipping is. Man, poor elf. Poor beautiful elf. What do you think the market will do tomorrow with the rate cut? We are getting a tax cut. I don't know. Well, it's kind of hard to tell. Like, I think the rate cut probably will happen. That's just my opinion. Obviously, people say it's like 85% that it will, so most likely it will. But the market, it's already priced in. Depending on what Jerome Powell will say, like, I think slightly bigger chance that it might dip. I'm guessing, but like, just my opinion. I'm not 100% sure. It could be the opposite, but I think it may dip. Not probably super huge dip or anything, but I think it might. But we'll see. I like maybe like 60%. I'm like thinking that I might dip more than like rip. So we'll see. Just my opinion, not financial advice, but I think might be a tiny little rug pull or something weird. But I could be wrong. But that's just my opinion. Rate cut. I mean, a little. But yeah, what do you guys think will happen? Do you guys think the market will go up, or you guys think it'll dip a little bit? Powell is notorious for throwing cold water in his meetings. If the rate cuts, all my money is going into stocks. Nice. But yeah, if the market does dip tomorrow or like in the short term because of what Powell will say, but like apart from that, I think it'll go back up after that. You know, even if short term it'll go down, I think after that it'll probably go back up for the Christmas Santa rally. That's just my guess, my opinion, obviously, not financial advice. But I kind of sort of halfway think that something like that might happen. But obviously anything could happen though. the rate if the rate cuts, all my money is going into stocks. All the money going into stocks. Nice, nice. Do you just buy and hold or trade options or both? Oh, me, I do everything. I buy and hold some things. I do options. I do scalp trades. I do futures trades. A little bit of crypto trades. Like a mix of a whole bunch of different stuff. So literally, it's like here's some options here, stocks and ETFs here. Um, come on. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff here. And then a tiny bit of crypto. Crypto's going up a little bit. I want to check what Bitcoin's doing. So Bitcoin right now, it's still keeping its range around 92,000. That's not bad. That's not a bad sign. Hopefully the market will follow, but we'll see. We'll see. I pay to be able. Nice, nice. That's awesome there, J Dove. Like I'd rather want the market to go up, but like kind of sort of logically thinking, like it might dip a little bit, not like a big dip, but like yeah, but yeah, I'd rather it to go up though. I'd rather want it to go up. I pay to be a bull. Yeah, in general, for the long term, I'm a bull in the stock market for sure. But about tomorrow's rate cut deal, it may cause the market to go down a little bit. Not 100%, but possibly. Let's see. So yeah, the Bitcoin thingy's not doing too bad. Let's see. Maybe just for the heck of it, I could ask about the cat thingy, the meal. If I should feed that one. Let's see. Should I feed the cyber kitty in the cyber puppy world? Let's see what it says. It said yes. Them cyber kitty, cyber puppies are hungry. I guess they get to eat a little bit. That's good. Actually, I think I sold out at a profit today from some of these cryptos that I had. I sold out at a profit earlier today, so let's see. Yeah, see right now, usually when I sell, I buy back at like $1. So I sold today when I was working. I sold out, but I guess I'll buy a tiny bit more. Not much. I'll toss it like 3 bones. Them cyber kitty, cyber puppies could fight over them and eat them like crazy. So I think that's good. That's chill. That's hella nice. So, who do you think is gonna win, Green Bay Packers or the Brown Coast? Okay, I'm not sure who's gonna win. I could throw the paper, see what the paper is gonna say. So we'll do that like the Green Bay Packers or the Brown Coast. So the Green Bay Packers will be yes. So if it's yes, that's gonna be Green Bay Packers win. Let's see. Let's do that. If it's yes, that means Green Bay Packers win. Let's see what it says. It landed kind of sort of halfway sideways, but it's kind of indecisive. I'll throw it again. Okay, this time it's a yes. So Green Bay Packers will win. It said. So the paper says the Green Bay Packers are gonna win. That's what the paper says. Doesn't mean that's gonna 100% gonna happen though. Ask the paper if we will. Let's see. Hey there, J Duff. Ask the paper if we will. What? I hope we get a decent alt season. Oh, if we'll get the alt season. What was your question there, J Duff? See how long out. How long out do you typically buy your options for? Well, me usually. Let's see. Usually I do mines like for the most part like I do the leaps the year out. I do the year out on mine. Let's see. So that one's. Let's see. So this is a cash secured put here. So see, most of these are a year out. So January 15, 2027, January 15, 2027. So most of them are year out. Some of them I do shorter term. But like most of them, this one's like even more. This expires January 21, 2028. So yes, ask the paper if we get an altcoin season soon. Okay, I'll ask that. Are we gonna get the altcoin season soon? Let's see what the paper says. Are we gonna get the altcoin season soon? Yes or no? The paper landed on no on that thingy. The altcoin season. So maybe it might be a little bit longer for the altcoin season, possibly. So paper landed on no on that thingy for now. We'll see how accurate it's on that one, right? But yeah, most of my options are like a year out or more. Some of them I get shorter term, but mostly a year out. Okay, let's see. Which other one should I check here? Let's see which one to check here right now. Let's see. Oh, crypto is just in the crypto. I'll check how maybe Shiba is doing. Let's see. Shiba Inu, maybe, if I could find it. Yeah, I sold out of a whole bunch of my crypto today. So let's see. Oh, I'm so pissed. I thought I made 20 bucks. Nope, lost $5. Oh, that sucks there, purple aspect. Yeah, it's not fun when you think that you made some money and then you actually lost it. Uh, I'm sorry, that's not cool. Okay, I want to see if I should get some Shiba Inu. Let's see, should I feed this cyber puppy here? Should I get some Shiba Inu? Should I feed this cyber puppy? Let's see what it says. Okay, so the paper landed on yes, so I guess I could feed this flippin' cyber puppy a little bit. This cyber puppy be hungry like crazy. It wants to eat. So I guess I'll just maybe toss it. Maybe I'll just toss it 3 bones. You know, I think it'll keep it busy chewing on it, nibbling on it for a little bit. How did you check those fees on your gains? Were they just for futures? Uh, Let me see. It's consolidated at the moment. Wait for the breakout. Oh, okay. But okay, let's see. I'll go to the fees area. Okay, so right here, futures. Okay, so I'll click on this one because it has the all of it. So the fees right here. So like see I click on where the futures are, this information thingy. And then so commissions $120.50. Then exchange and regulatory fees $149.14. So net return. So why did they have to make the number kind of evil a little bit, the 6666 whatever type deal? But I guess it is what it is. It's a 666 thingy. A bit of an evil number, sort of slightly, halfway, a little bit, but not too much. That's for a contract, I guess. Do you only get those fees when trading futures? Yes, these fees, it's usually for the futures trades. Normally for like the normal stock trades and for like the options trades, it's not even nearly as bad. Like the options trades is like almost free. It's like very like almost nothing. And then the shares, trading the shares, it's also like almost pretty much free. But it's just futures for some reason. Like it charges a lot. I don't know why. Only the good die young. That's funny. But yeah, that's kind of what it is. I mean, I could go back to the futures. We could look at the trades here. See history. Field. Let's see. Let's look at this thingy. So there's just the cost of that trade. So I don't know what that was. And then let's see this one, $15. Maybe that was one of the fees or something. So this one says total credit 1588. So the commission here is 50 cents. Exchange and regulatory fees on this one it's 62 cents. So realized profit was 17. So after profits and everything, so it's 1588. That's kind of like the breakdown on one of the wins they got here. So yeah, this looks like that's kind of what they charge. I don't know, it's kind of weird. This is on Robinhood right here. I'm trading on Robinhood. But yeah, I'm still kind of new to it because literally started trading the futures on Robinhood like November 26th. So I'm still like fairly new to the futures on Robinhood. But I guess it adds up. But the thing is, I have Robinhood Gold. If I didn't have Robinhood Gold, it would have costed way more. Like for example, let me go to random futures trade. Let's see futures. Because right now I'm in the what do you call it, gold. Let's see. I'll click on futures just for the heck of it. I'll click on silver because I know I'm on gold right now. Let's see. Metals futures. Let's try copper or silver, micro silver. I'll try that one. So if I click on trade, for example, buy one. So see over here because I got gold, it says I'm saving 25 cents. See, you're saving 25 cents with gold. So it's a little bit cheaper with the gold. They let you buy small amounts on call puts. Uh, call and puts, depending what it is, yeah. Depending how far out the contract and price and everything. But yeah, it kind of depends. It is some contracts. Only the good. Okay. So yeah, like because they got Robinhood Gold, it's a little bit cheaper. So let's see. So right here it says $1.02 total regulatory and exchange fees, 50 cents total commissions. So 5,000. The margin is 5,280, whatever. But yeah, those are the fees. But then you save 25 cents with gold if you have gold. One finger in the balloon, not the sniff. But yeah, that's kind of that thingy over there, I guess, a little bit. You don't, why don't you invest for real as well? What do you mean by why don't you? Oh, like invest, like you mean long term, like just buy and just let it sit there and grow and compound? Is that what you mean there, J Dove? I've been banking on day trades lately. Oh, day trade, nice, nice, that's awesome. But yeah, like let me see. Well, like for right now, I'm trying to do like more short term trades, just trying to be like find a way that I could be profitable doing short term trades. But like for the long term, eventually I want to add like buy stuff or long term invest in some companies or ETFs. That's definitely a safer way to go. Yeah, like pick a few companies instead of asking a paper. I know. I just do the paper thingy for fun. I think it kind of makes it more interesting and a little bit more of a thrill. But yeah, paper is just kind of mostly for fun and just to kind of have a weird thrill in the trading thingy. But definitely, I like some stocks that I believe long term to eventually buy and hold. But like I'm doing a lot of the short term ones just to kind of figure out a way to try to make money a little bit faster, and then once I do, and then put it in a long ETFs or whatever, and then do something like that. But still kind of learning. Still kind of new to trading. Like I said, I started trading like last year for the most part. This type of style trading, like kind of short term risky trades. I have four Robinhood accounts. Damn, four Robinhood accounts. That's quite a bit. That's crazy. The paper thing makes you look stupid. It probably does, and I don't mind. I don't mind to look stupid. Let's see. Just open another account and make that a portfolio you won't sell on. That's a good idea, but like I'm not sure how that's possible, or if Robinhood will let you have more than one account. Like I'm not sure how that's possible. BB earnings on the 18th. BB earnings. Which one is BB? Going spy. It isn't until it isn't. Like pick a few companies. Yeah, definitely that's the way better and the safer way to trade. Just pick a few companies and just long term invest in it. The paper thing is cool. Yeah, I like the paper thing because I don't care. I don't mind if it makes me look stupid. Whatever. I'll take the stupidness all day long. I think it's kind of different, kind of fun, and just I just like it. See what the paper thinks, or like what the I don't know, just different. I don't know. And I know the paper's not right all the time. It's kind of coin flip. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's not, but it's mostly for fun and see what it does type deal. Oh hell, the paper passed me the joint, bro. The joint. Here, I'll pass you this joint. You could take a puff out of this thingy, the South American tea. Good stuff. AFJK will run again tomorrow. Oh, I gotta check that one out. When I went 950% today. Oh wow, that's crazy. The paper was fun. I know, right? I see AFJK. Let's check that one out. AFJK. AFJK. Let's see what that one looks like. Okay, so AIMEI Health Technology. Wow, it did go up like crazy. I wonder like what happened. Probably some kind of news, something that happened there with that one. That's crazy. So it went up from the low of $8 or $9, $8 or $9 all the way to $47. That's a lot. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it if it went up so much. Like it's risky because I don't think it's gonna keep on going up. What kind of tea was that? Oh, right now I already finished. I drank it all, but I could show you. It's the South American tea. See, when I was in South America, like it's made out of Palo Santo, the wood. It's like a holy wood. That's what it's called in South America, and it's like a green, kind of like a green tea, but it's different. It's called yerba mate. I'm already out. It's empty, but it's pretty healthy. Like South Americans, that's their favorite tea. They drink that a lot. It's very healthy too, so I like it. I'm not sure if you guys tried it, but it's pretty healthy stuff and it tastes pretty good too. It's very good. It's called yerba mate. A lot of stores have it. We love mate. Oh, nice. You guys love mate? That's awesome. Hell yeah, man. Where I see the share price. Beyond Meat also pumped last week. It went from penny to 150. Oh, wow. That's crazy. It's made of Palo Santo. Yeah, Palo Santo. Yes. It's kind of like what its definition is holy wood. Palo Santo, like definition of that in English, is holy wood. Is really healthy and is an energy drink. Yes, it is kind of like an energy drink because it does have caffeine, kind of like coffee and like black tea or stuff like that. But like in general, it's very healthy. And then if you have like high blood pressure, it helps from that too. Because like a lot of Bolivians drink. I used to live in Bolivia. Like the people live in like high altitudes, and it helps lower the blood pressure and stuff like that. We use the Palo Santo to get the weed out of our system. For real? That's crazy. I didn't know it does that or it did that. That's pretty cool. That's kind of interesting. SUGP. Okay. Let's see. SUGP. Check out the SUGP. Limited. So this one it's down 11 point something. After hours it's up. Let's see what this company is all about. Let's see, no dividend. Let's see, maybe read about it a little bit. Put on my glasses. So SU Group Holdings Ltd engages in the provision of security-related engineering services and security guarding and screening services. It operates through the security-related engineering services and security guarding and screening services segments. The company was founded by Ming Chan in 1998 and is headquartered in Hong Kong. Lists name for SUGP is Su Group Holdings Limited Ordinary Shares. So yeah, it did go up overnight for some reason. Oh, because, yeah, it's in China, has different hours. Yeah, I wonder why it went up. Looks like the momentum on the MACD is still kind of on the upside, potentially. Yeah, on the 1 day, 1 hour, looks like the momentum is still kind of on the upside on that thing. Maybe I should ask the paper, is SUGPA buy, see what that says, huh? 3.5 million market cap. Oh, wow. I have a separate account for S&P 500 stuff. Oh, that's cool. Separate account. Shit. Shit's honey fun. There is a yerba of Paulo from Argentina and polvo. That last one is from Uruguay and is the best for me. Here we drink mate every day, lots of times of the day. Oh, nice. That's awesome there. That's awesome. Yeah, the flipping yerba mate stuff is very good. I'll take a picture of this thing here just in case it's good information. But I gotta plug in the phone because my phone is on red, so I gotta plug it in. It's kind of sort of halfway dying because I'm live streaming on my old phone and it's pretty low on my iPhone 10. I gotta make sure it's plugged in here. Okay, now it's charging. Hell yeah, make sure it doesn't flip and fully die on me here. Hell flipping yeah. But yeah, apart from the mate, I got my coffee drinks. Either my coffee drink, my tea drink there, my other. And this is my mate drink here. Then I got my other water drink there, like lemon water and stuff like that. And then like I got my waters and my apples over there. So I got a whole bunch of stuff full on the desk to keep on trading a little bit, sort of halfway. Where do I live? I live in Washington State, in the United States, in Washington State. Not the Washington, D.C., not the capital, but the Washington on the other side, the state of Washington, where it gets kind of cold. Bros ready, I know, right? For sure. For sure, they're J-Dub. I'm out of my tea. Well, I'm out of my South American tea. Oh, yeah, I'm not really out because I could pour. If I'm out of the tea, what I could do is I could pour some water and still make it be drinkable. See, pour some water in it. And I could keep on drinking it. There we go. Now I got another cup of tea. Slightly colder tea, but it'll still work. Still tasty. Even it cold, it's pretty tasty. It's pretty good. What are you doing? I know it's better when it's hot, but I don't want to get away from the desk here. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I get that shit in my mouth. Yeah, for real, like crazy, for real. That's always criminal. Oopsies, my bad, I guess, right? Yeah, I get that shit. My mouth kind of sort of halfway, or not even halfway, all the way, I guess, as far as it needs to be to do the thing, right? To get the liquid. Yes, I know you do have to put hot water, but the thing is, I don't want to go to the kitchen right now and turn on the tea kettle. So I'm just cutting corners here a little bit. My first cup was extremely hot water, but I don't want to go to the kitchen right now and heat it up and do all that stuff. So might as well make a cold one work at the moment. A little bit funny stuff, huh? Ask the paper, is it time for you to go to bed? I could ask it, but regardless of what it says, I'm probably not gonna listen, you know? Let's see, paper. Is it time for me to go to bed? Let's see what it says. I won't listen if it's yes, but we'll see what it says. It said no. See, the paper knows better. It fell on a no. Paper's kind of sort of halfway smart, a little bit, but not too much, but smart enough to know that it's not my flipping bedtime yet. So it's kind of, it is what it is. It's worth it, and it's better than nothing, sort of halfway a little bit, you know? It just kind of sort of is what it is, you know? I just gotta accept the facts and call it good. You know, get the Riz and the Hood going all night long, party by the flipping cyber campfire all night long, chilling by them cyber digits and like digital green papers and all that weird stuff. So, yeah, no worries. It's all good. All flipping hella good. And I still got some more coffee to chill with in my flipping Marvel coffee cup. Hell yeah. Cheers. Cheers to everybody. Look at TU. It has a decent dividend. I'll check it out. You would have some problems in the bathroom. Some problems in the bathroom. That's funny. Cold or hot? I definitely the yerba mate. It's meant to be hot, and I did drink it hot. But like I said, I didn't want to go back to the kitchen to get some more hot water. Get the mate in. That's funny. Okay, let's check out the. Oh, you're welcome there. Wondering for treasure. The Marvel coffee cup is awesome. Thanks there, man. Thank you, Tasmanian. Okay, let's see. Let's check out TU. Let's check out TU. Tell us. Okay, let's see. I want to see what it's about because I don't know what that one's about. IDK, what that one's all about. TELUS Corp is a telecommunications company which engages in the provision of telecommunication services and products primarily for wireless, wireline, voice, and data. It operates through TELUS Technology Solutions, tech and digitally led customer experiences. TELUS International DLCX segments. The tech segments includes network revenues and equipment sales arising from mobile technologies, data revenues, healthcare software and technology solutions, voice and other telecommunication services revenues, and equipment sales. The DLCX segment is composed of digital customer experience and digital enabled transformation solutions, including artificial intelligence and content management solutions provided by TELUS International. The company was founded on October 4th, 1990, and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for TU is TELUS Corporation. Seems like a decent company, you know, like and all that telecommunication and all the tech stuff and everything. Oops, didn't mean to do that. But the max, it's up, you know, so that's a good sign. But in general, looks good. I'm gonna look at the. I'm gonna look what this says. I mean, the trend looks down for right now. I don't know why, but. So the MACD looks like it's going up, like it wants to go up, but the zigzag line looks like it's trending down. So like when they're doing the opposite from each other, it's indecisive. But on the 1 month chart, so that's the bigger picture, looks like it's kind of trending downward. On this one, looks like I see over there, this one's going down and the MACD is going down. So it looks like on the 1 month momentum, it's down. And then the 1 day momentum, it's kind of down too a little bit. So that one and that one. So looks bearish, but that's not a guarantee though. Let me see. The information about what it does looks pretty decent. I mean, I could ask the paper, see what the paper thinks, but Let's see. Is TU a buy? Let's see what the paper thinks. Is TU a buy right now? So the paper landed on no. See, the paper landed on no, so it's not a buy. And then like the paper, you guys see me again. Oh no. I could say that mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the weirdest traders of them all? I guess it's me. Flippin' A. Paper said flippin' no. Paper said no on this thingy. It's like sort of halfway oopsies. Just like its dividends. Yeah. The dividends are okay sometimes, but like yeah, the dividends are pretty good for sure. But sometimes if the dividends are okay, sometimes it's kind of hard to make money if it kind of keeps on going down. That's the thing. So you could still make profits. You could still make good money on it if you could buy it at the right time to where you could collect the dividends, and if you could catch the momentum up, that would be a good trade on this thing. You know, if you catch the right time, you could do pretty good with that one. Oh man, some pretty crazy weird stuff with this trading here, huh? uh, let's see. Crazy, crazy stuff. I'll wait on it. I think I like the BSM better. Oh, I see the BSM better. Actually, I might go back to check the BSM thingy again. Even the last one wasn't bad, but the thing is, you gotta kind of get it at the right time. I think like almost everything, if you get it at the right time, you could do okay. But some dividend stocks are good enough to where like you don't have to really do anything. You could just buy it and just collect your dividends. But some stocks are, you kind of gotta buy it more at the right time to collect the dividend, at the same time ride slightly the wave up, you know. And the last one that I looked at, like it's might be decent, but you got to get in at the right time to collect that dividend. At the same time, be able to catch some of the wave up. So, because you don't want to catch the general downtrend, then it makes the dividend pointless if that happens, you know. Oh wait, I don't think like the BSM better. So BSM, the dividend on this thingy. So the dividend on this thing is 9.34, and the general chart. Yeah, the general chart on this thing looks better for sure. And right now, like after the 5 year mark, looks like it's picking up some momentum. It definitely looks better on this one, the Blackstone Minerals. I'm not sure if I asked the paper about this one, but this one does look better than the last one that I just checked. I see. I should toss the paper. Let's see. Is BSM worth it to buy right now for the dividends? Let's see. Is BSM worth it to buy right now for the dividends? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it said yes right now, so I guess I could add a tiny bit. A tiny bit I think might be worth it, and see what it does. Sort of halfway a tiny bit. Be kind of chill to have. So buy, maybe get like maybe $10 worth of it for now. I think might be good. Might be better than nothing. And then like see how it pays off with the dividend thingy. Okay, I gotta flip and plug in my phone again because it's like literally like crazy ass dead, like crazy right now. Like the phone's kind of old, so it takes it like it dies fairly quick, especially doing the live stream. It's an iPhone 10. I'm streaming on the iPhone 10. It's my old one because my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Uh, I don't stream on that one because just in case somebody texts or something, I gotta use it. But on this thing, yeah, I just live stream on the my old phone. But yeah, this one seemed pretty chill, pretty nice. So I got a little bit of that one. We'll see what it does. Definitely like it. Definitely flipping like it. Hell yeah. The paper likes it too, sort of a little bit. Oh, so I should check the GRASS, the grass thingy. Okay, GRASS. Okay, so this one says explore on Robinhood wallet. So obviously I don't have the Robinhood wallet. Uh, and it doesn't have too much information about this one. Yeah, this one doesn't have too much information about it. But I could, whoever is able to buy it or whatever, I could throw the paper and see what it says. So this one's like a fairly new company. What's the strategy? Inner Circle Crypto, SVSOL, Grass CRV Aster. I was, hey, how's it going? Hey there, Jengus Chang. It's going good, man. It's going good. How you doing, my man? Nice. I'm gonna pick some up myself. You doing any more futures tonight? If I'm doing any more futures, I'm in a play right now. The one the paper said that I could go long or whatever. So I'm in that play right now. Like it's kind of I could let me see. I could see what it's doing. Let's see. Go to the futures. I might do some more futures. I want to see how the one I'm in right now will do. Cause like I'm still kind of learning futures, so like I'm trying to do one thing at a time. So see, I got this one. So right now it's currently down a little bit, but it's up comparing to the last trade that I had. So I'll just let it ride itself out and see what it does. You know, because right now I'm going long on it. Let's see what happens. But yeah, I'll like I said, I'll just see what it does and maybe do some more futures depending on how everything goes. Paper will 2026 be my year? You want me to ask that for you there, Jesus Garciano? Okay, I could throw the paper. Will 2026 be Jesus Graciano's year? Let's see. I'll throw the paper for you there, Jesus Graciano. Oh no, it landed on no. It flippin' landed on no. It's just the paper. It's not always right there, Jesus Garciano. Maybe it's a no because hey, Jesus Garciano. Maybe it's a no because every year is your year. You know, every year is every flipping year is everyone's year. You just got to make the most out of it for everyone. That's what I think. That's what I say, right? Not a single year. One year is not your year, but every year is your year. You know, kind of tongue twister there, but yeah. Okay, but yeah, I'm in this one right now. I'll see what it does. While that thing's doing its thing, I'll probably look at some more companies or whatnot. Ask if Doge will be accepted as a payment option. Let's see. Ask if Doge will be accepted as a payment option for Tesla vehicles. Okay, I could ask that one. Okay, will Doge be accepted for Tesla options? Let's see what it says. For buying Tesla options or Teslas. So it landed on no on that question. If Doge will be accepted for buying Teslas. So paper said no on that thingy. Did you trade in an item to GameStop? Let's see. Did I trade an item to GameStop? Like, if I have, I think I might have a long time ago, many years ago. If you're asking me that, right now I don't really play much games, or I don't do any trades with GameStop. But I think I did like way long time ago. Maybe like 20 years ago or something. I don't know. Something crazy like that. The major global news from the Middle East to Ukraine shows that energy prices are likely to rise. So check Brent crude oil. Oh wow. Okay, that's crazy. Anything accepting almost anything for $5 store credit. Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay, so let's check Brent crude oil. Let's check that one out. Maybe it doesn't have it. Do you know the ticker symbol for that one? Let's see. ARS. What what is that ARS 200? Oh, thank you there, Francisco. Our Aganaras. Thank you for the ARS 200. Thank you. You're the second one that donated something. Hell yeah, thank you, man. What just happened to the? Oh, okay. Is this a first tip? This is the second one. I think the first one was where is the J? The first one was J Duff, and then this one's the second one. Thank you there, Francisco. Thank you so much, man. It's your second one that actually donated something. That's pretty cool. Keep hustling. I know, right? Keep hustling. Thank you, man. I'm not even sure how it works because like literally yesterday like I got the notification saying that like I became the YouTube partner thingy at least for like the donation. So I set it up. I was like, I'm not. I don't want to ask anybody for anything, but I'll try it out, you know. But it's pretty cool. Looks like it's working. Oh yeah, thank you there, Francisco and J Duff. Thank you guys for the donations. Uh, buy XRP. I think I bought some earlier today. Let's see. But yeah, the Brent crude oil. I was trying to find it, but I wasn't able to find it. Unless there's a different ticker symbol for that one. Yeah, I'm not sure which one that is. But XRP, yeah, I've got some of that one. I think I did pick some more up today. Actually sold all of the ones I had today. I sold all the ones I had today, and I started to get some more of it. So I could ask the paper if I could add some more of the XRP, see what it says. Let me see. Should I get some more of the XRP? Let's see what it says. Should I get some more of the XRP? Okay, so at the moment it said no on that thingy. It's probably because I got some today already and just kind of trying to be patient to get some more later. Flippin' nice. Okay. Let's see. You should open a second brocade account and invest the money donated to the stock or crypto of the fan choice brokerage account. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Maybe I should do something like that. Sounds like a good idea, fun idea. Let's see, Francisco. So yeah, for the XRP, it said to hold off on that thingy. Let me see here. Maybe I'll buy one of the other, what do you call it? Maybe I'll buy one of these other ones here. Penguin. I think I did get some more penguin today. You're gonna regret that. Okay, let me see. I should ask about the pudgy cyber penguins. Should I get some pudgy cyber penguins? Let's see. Should I get some pudgy cyber penguins? Okay, it doesn't want me to get those. It doesn't want me to feed the penguins. That's kind of weird. Flippin' hungry penguins, I guess, right? The paper. Oh, thanks there. Like I'm glad like I have fun talking with you too, Francisco, and with all of you guys. I'm glad that you guys are chilling here with me and talking. I call this kind of like the cyber campfire, you know? It's kind of like a campfire where we chill and just talk about the stock market and do whatever I'm doing whatever trades I could do, but you know, it's like a cyber campfire, you know? This will go viral in 10 years. Maybe. Who knows, right? Let's see, maybe I should try to buy this one. See, I don't have too much of it. Let's see, should I buy the hype? Let's see, should I buy the hype? Let's see what the paper says. Oh no, the paper's making me buy the hype. I gotta flip and buy the hype. It is what it is. I gotta flip and buy the hype. It didn't say how much hype to buy, but I guess I'll buy some of it. I'll buy 3 hypes. 3 hypes is better than none, I guess. Solid no. Or the paper. I know, right? Make some merch and have paper time written on it. I know, right? Some merch and paper time written. That'll be funny. Oh, nice. The order failed. Hell yeah. Imagine flipping a paper on Bitcoin when it was $2 and it said no. I know, right? That would have sucked. Flipping paper on Bitcoin and said no, and then you're out of like thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands or whatnot. A strong that everyone talked about it. So believe me, my information is accurate. Just look at the things I've given you. Okay, strong that everyone talked about it. So believe me, my information is accurate. Just look at the things I've given you. Well, what's that you're talking about there, Alirazab 9737? Let's see the peanut thingy. Let's see. I should ask if I should feed the cyber squirrel. Should I feed the peanut the cyber squirrel? Let's see what it says. Should I feed peanut the cyber squirrel? Okay, I guess it said no on that thingy. Maybe because it don't want to bite like crazy. Maybe that's why. It don't want because it doesn't want to bite me. It does. The paper doesn't want it to bite me. That's why. So XRP, XLM, HBR. So I checked the XRP. I have a little bit of that one. XLM, HBR. I might have HBR. Let me check XLM. Let me check the XLM, see what that looks like. Okay, there's the XLM. Stellar Lumens Crypto. So it looks like I did eventually recently buy like $1 worth of it. But let's see, I'll not ask the paper, is XLM a buy? Let me see what it says. Is XLM a buy right now? Let's see what it says. And it said yes. That thingy flippin' likes it. Hell yes. Hell flippin' yes. It likes the stellar lumens for some reason. I guess I could add a tiny bit of that one. Maybe add a couple more to that. And then if it goes up eventually, that'll be nice. Brent oil about 2 years, get 5x SSV grass. Okay, so Brent oil, so about 2 years, get 5x SSV. So is the ticker symbol SSV on it or SSV? That's the thing I'm trying to find. And then if I click on what do you call it, Brent oil. Oh, the grass. Also the grass, the SOL and the CRVASTR. So I'm gonna take a picture of this one so I could save the names of these thingies. But I do wanna look some of it up here. I'll take another picture. Almost messed it up here. Okay. I took a picture of it. A screenshot, I mean. But if I go on Brent oil, it doesn't find anything for that. That's the thing. See, if I click on Brent, it just has the United States. Oh, this one. Okay, United States Brent oil. So maybe I wasn't able to find it before, but okay, now I see. Okay, so bullish on this one. Okay, add to the watch list. Okay, it looks like the XLM failed. Okay, maybe I'll add a minimum dollar amount, enter at least $1. Oh, okay. Minimum dollar amount. Okay, I'll add a little bit just to kind of have on a radar for now. Okay, so the Brent, so I added to the watch list. Let's see, Brent oil 2 years, then SSV, SSVL or SSV? SSV, right? SSVL, SSV. So I'm not sure it doesn't have anything for the SSV that I see here. So that one it doesn't have. Let's see, SSV. The grass, then the SOL. Okay, the grass thingy. The grass thingy I can't even buy because it has. I need to use the Robinhood wallet, which I don't have. I don't want to set that up. Okay, so the grass thingy I can't get SOL. Let's check SOL. SOL thingy. So I guess it's probably this one. The crypto Solana. I have a little bit of that one. So I could add some more to that one later. So, okay, the SOL and CRV and Aster. Okay, CRV and Aster. Let's check. CRV. Oops. CRV right there. Okay, add it to my list here. For right now, like that thing doesn't cost much, so I'll add a little bit to it, maybe like Even $3 for now, and see how it does. If it is doing good, I could add some more later. But for now, I think a tiny bit won't hurt. Okay, so after the CRV, let's see what's the next one. Then the Aster. Again, Aster is the cryptocurrency, and I do have a little bit of that one. Let me see, like on the Aster paper, should I get some more Aster? Let's see what it says. Should I get some more Aster? Let's see. Okay, so at the moment it said no on that thingy. My phone's plugged in. So at the moment it said no. But I do have quite a bit of it, but I could add some more later. But for the long run, if it's gonna multiply like crazy, might be worth it to add quite a bit more, you know. Cookie. Fidelity don't let me. Thanks for your feedback. AI. Cookie, but I'm saying with trading, how do you trade when the market is closed? Put a 100 on SOL yesterday. I really put $100 on Solana yesterday. That's pretty cool. We live in a world of open opportunity. You choose. Oh, that's for sure. Definitely an open opportunity, open world of opportunity. How do you get money faster? Oh, like asking how do you get money faster? By working and making money, and then investing the money so that the money works harder than you do, I guess, right? Work hard, get money and then invest the money and then make the money work for you. Invest in the Snoop Dogg Bitcoin. That sounds pretty cool. It's kind of sort of halfway. All name have accumulation phase. Okay, invest in the Snoop Dogg Bitcoin. I don't think they have it though, right? Maybe they do. Snoop Dogg Bitcoin. Let's see, am I typing right? Snoop Dogg. Okay, so there it is, Snoop Dogg Bitcoin. So the closest one it has is this thingy. So this ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF. So that's the closest to the Snoop Doggy Dog thingy Bitcoin that they got, but it's not exactly that, but it's kind of weird. And that's just a weird ETF type thingy. Let me see. Should I only ask the paper? Is ARKB a buy? Let's see what it says. Is ARKB a buy? Let's see what it says. And Flippin said yes. That means I gotta try to buy at least a little bit of that one. This is the weird Snoop Dogg coin, right? The Flippin crypto ETF thingy. Invest in the Yahoo. Oh, nice. Buy 1,000 shares. This is my secret trade. MB knows about. That's funny. Okay, I gotta make sure I add this to the list. At least right now, buy at least $1 worth of it. I think $1 might be kind of sort of halfway okay. Just to kind of have it on the radar, and then it starts doing something crazy, then put like 20 or 30K on it and then write it up like crazy potentially, but see what happens type deal. Oh man, some crazy ass funny stuff. Weird stuff here. Oh man. But I guess it's worth it. I guess Peanut the squirrel go hungry because the paper didn't want to feed it. It is what it is. I might get bitten by the flipping cyber scroll might get kind of sort of halfway cyber rabies, whatever that is. Hopefully that's not gonna happen. But yeah, it's kind of weird stuff. Hella weird stuff. Let's see the Hadera thingy. Should I get some Hadera? I'll ask it. Should I flip and get some Hedera? Let me see what it says. Should I get some Hedera? Let's see. Okay, and it said yes on that thingy. Whoa. It flippin' said yes on this thing, so I gotta make sure I get a tiny bit more of this thingy. Hell yeah. Some flippin' Hedera stuff. I like age bar for sure. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, it seems kind of decent, you know. So I'll probably get like maybe I'll add 3 there just in case for now. I think 3 for now might be worth it. Hell yeah. What's the end goal for the account? What amount do you want to earn in order to spend the money earned? In this thingy, in this account, like I don't really have an end goal on this one. I'm just trying to see what I could do, you know. So I don't really have a certain amount to reach or anything like that. I'm just trying to see like how I could grow the account or the money. Just not really having a general end goal on cashing it out at the moment. So yeah, I don't really have an end goal yet for this thing. I guess take it a day at a time, right? See what happens. Yeah. Just the main goal is try not to blow it, you know, like sometimes like it happens where people blow up portfolios. Just the main goal, like hoping that doesn't happen. Also, some dividend king stock. Okay, let's check it out. Oops. A dividend. Manage dividend. Let's see. Get some dividend king stock. Let's see dividend payments. So manage dividend reinvestments here. I'm not sure if one of these are it, but when the dividend doesn't look like it has it. Looks like it doesn't have the dividend king. Maybe there's a different ticker symbol for the dividend king. Put it all on black. Coca-Cola REIT. I see. Yeah, I think that Warren Buffett invested into this thingy. This one, it doesn't grow fast, but for the long term, it does go up, you know, which is kind of like the main thing. You want to grow your money safely. Near to Christmas and the Weihnacht, so look for chocolate no matter which factory, Lindt or Rocky Mountain. Oh, nice, nice. So invest in one of the chocolate stuff. Okay. Let's see the dividend of Coca-Cola. It's not bad. It's 2.87. Definitely worth it to like have some in it. You know, invest in the O. Let's see what's the O. Oh, there it is. The realty income. Let's see. Okay, hype is up. Nice. Right after I bought the hype, it went up a little bit. That's funny. Well, let me see. Like on the ask the paper, should I get some of the O? Let's see what the paper says. Should I get some of the realty thingy? Let me see what it says. So for now, it said no on the realty thingy. Maybe it'll let me get some of that later. But at the moment, it kind of sort of halfway said no on this thingy. Maybe I should try to do the Coca-Cola, and if it says to, it tells me to buy it or not. LYB. Let's check the LYB. I know baseball. Let's see. So that one has a big dividend, but if it's trending down, sometimes the dividend kind of makes it pointless. Maybe if I get $1 of it, might be better than nothing. But it went down a lot. That's crazy. But if it went down a lot, maybe it might eventually start going back up. Who knows? Let me see, just for the heck, I'll add this to the watch list. I'm gonna ask the paper. Let's see, is it worth it to get the LYB right now? Let's see what the paper says. Is it worth it to get the LYB for now? Let us see. So it said yes. So I guess I could get a tiny bit of that one. Yeah. So it said yes on that thingy. So I guess I could pick up at least $1 of that thingy and see what it does. I guess. At least $1 of this thingy. Trade by $1. See how much dividend payouts I'll get on $1. That's funny. It's a good place to bounce. Yeah, yes, I believe so. Like right now, because you can see how it goes up and down right now because it pays good dividends, and if you catch it at this level, so pretty much catch it at a dip, collect some dividends while it's moving up. Then once it gets up to a certain point, then just get out of it. You know, that way you're collecting some dividends on the way back, on the way up, and you're riding the wave up. You know, so that's why I said like on some stocks like this, the high dividends doesn't always pay out. Like if you catch the right time to get in, then sometimes it makes it worth it. It always depends when you get in it and get out type deal. So in this case, it might be worth it, like to get it at this dip, because nobody knows exactly what it's gonna do or where it's gonna go, but there's a likelihood that it could go up. So while it's going up, you're collecting dividends and riding the momentum up. That's if it's gonna move that way. You know, nothing's 100% sure or guarantee though, but it's something that might likely happen. Do you put money to Roth IRA? Yes, I do put money in the Roth IRA. Let's see. I have a little bit in it. Like this year, I probably won't max it out, but it's kind of smart to max it out if you can. But see, I got a little bit in this one, the Robin Roth IRA. This year, I probably won't max it out. Maybe next year I will. So whatever I have in it, I'm kind of down. See, like whatever I put in it, 2023. Some of the things I got in it, not doing too good, but like so some of the leaps options that I got, eventually I think it'll do good. But like yeah, I still got a whole bunch more to maximize it. See, I put like that much in there, so there's still quite a bit more to have it maxed out for the year. But I'm not gonna max it out this year. I'll probably do that next year. But yeah, definitely if you could max it out, it's definitely a good thing to max it out, the Roth IRA. Pretty animation. I know, right? For sure. For sure, for sure. But I'll probably try to maybe max out the Roth IRA starting maybe next year. Because I do have like a retirement plan from my other job where I used to work when I used to be an employee. Because right now, like I have my own construction company, so I don't have any retirement plan. That's why I kind of started doing that Roth IRA thingy. But for my previous jobs, I have a 401k retirement plan. I don't have too much on there, but you know it's still something. Still kind of something. Let's see. I want to check out something. I want to see how Walmart's doing. I haven't checked on Walmart real quick. I want to see where that's heading. Okay, so Walmart. So Walmart bounced back up a little bit. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. It's not bad. Maybe sometimes, like if the market would kind of dip, Walmart is kind of sometimes like a hedge. People like get rid of other stuff and they go into Walmart because short term that's kind of like a safer place to put money. So maybe it looks like that's what some people are doing. You hiring? Well, at the moment, I'm not hiring. Because like I said, like the work that I do is like a super small company. It's just a one man show. Like I said, sometimes I hire when I need help with something, but for the most part, I just do the work by myself in my construction thingy. But I don't know if my company gets bigger, maybe eventually I'll hire some more people, or we'll look to hire. Let's see how's Home Depot and Target. Let me see. Home Depot. So Home Depot's kind of trending downward right now a little bit. Yeah, Walmart's doing way better because Walmart's got the staple stuff where people go and they need to get their necessities and all that stuff. That's why, for the most part, Walmart should always be doing pretty good, pretty decent, you know. So general trend of the Home Depot is up, but short term it kind of looks like it's trending down a little bit. So when I look at this chart, so it looks like it's trending down, and the MACD is towards the downside on the daily. Okay, the weekly here, let's see. The weekly looks like it's starting to pick up some momentum, so it looks like eventually it should reverse. After maybe it does a short-term dip, it looks like it'll probably reverse and go up for a little bit from what it looks like on this chart. Then on this thing, yeah, on the 1 month, looks like it's dipping some more, so it's kind of funny the way it moves. But yeah, kind of like the general trend, at least short term, is towards the downside on the Home Depot, looks like. Surprising being how much money I've spent there recently. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I know, I spend money at Home Depot too quite a bit, but I guess sometimes it's not enough, right? If BTC reach 105, 106, sell most of your crypto assets, even in economic mag, you can find that code. Oh, that's interesting. GME MOS. Never stop gambling. That's funny. Never stop gambling. Oh man. MMM. Oh, I should find the MMM stock. Okay, let's see. Oh, that one, the 3M. Okay, I get it. The 3M. Okay, let's see. Let's check out 3M. Maybe I should ask the paper if 3M is a buy. Looks kind of bullish right now, a little bit for the daily. And then, let's see, the daily looks bullish. The weekly looks kind of sort of halfway bearish, more on the bearish side. Let's see, let me ask. Let's see, is 3M a buy? Let me see, let me ask it. Is 3M a flippin' buy? Let's see what it thinks. And it said yes. It likes the flippin' 3M. For some reason, it kind of sort of halfway likes it. That means I gotta add a tiny, tiny bit to it. At least maybe $1 and then see what it does, you know? At least $1 to the 3M. Hell yeah, we'll see what it does a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway. How much indicator you use? LOL, Ichimiko, SMA, EMA, or Sign, Bollinger Band, etc. Well, I could show what I'm using. Let's see, advanced. So the ones that mainly, obviously the candlesticks, I got those. But the main thing, I got the MACD on the bottom there. See if I click on this. So yeah, the Bollinger Band, the blue one there. And then I got the MACD, that's the one on the bottom. And then the ZZ is the zigzag line. It's kind of like the trend line. It kind of follows the trend type deal. So I got that one. So that's pretty much the ones I kind of follow right now. But let's see right now. I'm gonna check. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to the futures thingy and I'm gonna exit this at a profit while it's at a profit. So at least I was able to collect a tiny bit of profit on that thingy on the futures. And now I gotta see where it's gonna head next. I'll probably wait for it to head up a tiny bit more and then I might short it. I'm gonna wait for it to go up a little bit more and then I might short it. So I did collect a little bit of profit on that thingy. So I think short term it's probably gonna go up to like 4,200, maybe like 45. I might wait for it to go to get to 4,245 point like 5 or whatever, and then write it from that point down to like 4,225 or something like that. So order failed. Okay, that's good. Nice. Do you have Netflix? How do you feel about them at 96 per share? Oh, if I have Netflix, I'm not sure if I have it myself. Let me see. I'll check here real quick. Netflix. Okay, so Netflix, because it has that evil number, it has the like 666. So I think short term is gonna dip lower because of that number. So I mean, obviously that number is a joke. It's not gonna dip because of the 666 number. But regardless, I see it dip in short term a little bit more. And let's see, I have a little bit of it. I got $10.34 worth of it. But like I would probably add some more when it dips lower. I'll probably even right now I think it's an okay time to add some more. But I'll probably try to get it when like it's at like there's a potential that it could dip to like the 80s, maybe possibly the 70s. I'm not sure. 80s. If it dips to one of those areas, that's where I'll load up a whole bunch. But I think it's not a guarantee that it's gonna go that low. But like if like long term investing, I'd potentially add. This is a good place to dollar cost average. Like add a little bit, but not a lot. And then as it dips lower, because I think it may dip lower a little bit, I would add some more as it dips. And then like eventually once it starts riding the momentum up, I could add a little bit, some shares on the way up, and just write it up with the profits. It's kind of how I would play it. But I kind of see it short term going down a little bit more before it goes up. Obviously, not financial advice. That's just kind of what I think. Just my opinion, not financial advice. But like, let's see what this chart looks like. So right here on the MACD, looks like it's trending up a little bit. On the zigzag, it's trending down on the 1 day. And here on the MACD, it's trending down a little bit. And see on the 1 week, the zigzag line is starting to go down. You can see, like, if you zoom in, it went up and then like it's starting to go down. The trend line starting to go down and the MACD starting to go down. So I think it has a little bit more down move to go before it starts going up towards the long term. See, if I click on the 1 month, if I click on the 1 month, you can see the MACD is going down and the zigzag line is going down. So obviously not financial advice, but that's kind of like what I see on the chart. Looks like it's probably gonna dip a bit more short term. I mean, it'll go up and down like stocks go up and down, but while it's going up and down, it'll probably go down some more, before it starts going up for the long term. That's what I see, not financial advice, but that's kind of like what I see it doing. So right now, it's probably okay time to dollar cost average, add a little bit to the company, and as it dips down some more, I'll probably add more as it dips. But like I don't have a lot in it right now, but as it dips slower, I'll probably add some more to it. Hey there, El Delos Tigers. Ask the magic paper. Yeah, let's ask the magic paper. Is Netflix a flippin' buy? Let's see. Is Netflix a flippin' buy at the moment? And it said yes. See, that's to dollar cost average at the moment. So like I said, like right now, I wouldn't put all the money in there, but like I said, right now I would get in a little bit. Then as it dips more, I'd buy a little bit at a time as it dips. Because the chart, the momentum looks like it's kind of towards the downside. So it doesn't hurt to even add a little bit right now and then add a little bit more as it dips. Actually, right now, I'll probably add. So I'll add a 7 just to kind of have a lucky number on that thingy. I think might be good. But that's how I would play it. Long term, I think it'll do pretty good. It's going to go up quite a bit and a lot. It's going to go way over 100. Like it's going to fly. That's how I see it. Long term, I think it's going to go back to where it was at the highest over here. But imagine if you get it like at like 80 something dollars and ride it to all the way to 130, something like that. That would be pretty nice. A very good move. But yeah, dollar cost averaging right now for me, like it won't hurt. I think it's decent. But then as it dips some more, I'll probably accumulate some more. Ask the magic paper, will Netflix dip more? Okay, let's ask the paper. Will Netflix dip more? Let's see what it says. Will Netflix dip more? So the paper said no, but it could be maybe the paper's right. Like nobody knows 100%. The chart looks like it will dip some more, but the paper said no. Chart looks like it will dip some more. Paper says it's not gonna dip some more. So we'll see which one works, right? Paper or chart? Uh, Regardless, like whether it dips some more or not, like it's an okay time to get some at least. But I wouldn't, personally, I wouldn't throw all my money away at it. But when or if it dips some more, I would add some more to it for sure. Okay. Yeah. So I added a tiny bit more of that one. But yeah, let's see the futures thingy. So the futures thingy, like it's still doing okay. See, from the time I started November 26th here. Like I started trading and learning, and so far it's doing okay. The biggest day I had is right here, December 4th. I made $326, and like I got these days here where I made over $100. And today so far it's up this much. The what do you call it? So right now I'm gonna try to do another futures trade. Let's see, go back to futures. This time I'm gonna try to short, a little short. I'm not sure if it's gonna work out or not, but let's see, micro gold futures. It might work out, might not work out. I'll try to do trade, sell. I'll do a limit order 1. Let's see, and I could short it from when it reaches like 4.2. Let's see. I could short it from when it reaches 4.241. Let's see. 4.241 to 4.242.0. Maybe I don't know if it'll reach that amount or not, but I could try to reach short it from that point. We'll see what happens. Okay, pending. Because if it reaches that number, I'm pretty sure eventually it'll go down to where I could easily scalp like 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks. Potentially, not for sure. Oh, look, it filled. Nice. So it just filled on that one. So I might be on a short-term loss before I make some profits on it, but we'll see. We'll see what it plays out. See what it does. Because even if it'll short